Hello? Yeah, I'm calling you to tell you that you have won something. Yeah, you have just won. You're the second place winner. Yes.
Dan! Dan!
Yeah, yes. Give me a minute. The manager is saying something. Okay. You can't do that. You see me a dial and you make pay nice. You
Me never know that.
But you
Me have
know
to
me
call,
do
me
a
have to
daytime.
call before I come in because your dog them not bite me. Oh.
Wait, you say now? Come in
And
like
it's
me the
something I
power.
come for.
What? Come on.
Me not. Come on, me come for the money. You know,
When you
something
say
I
something you
ask
come
you
from, I think that you say you want.
Boy, the 500 US me I have to go on the ship. Me must have
What?
to pay for the yacht. Come now.
What this man? Me not have you enough.
So you want woman and you not have money. Nobody come with that with me today. Nobody with it.
From morning, me
You
there
come.
I walk
You
line
come. You come.
and in
You come. All the iPhone I'm beg you. Me go and get it.
You get it, but I don't know. That's what I say.
So when?
I see it.
This no me face I go work out, you know.
I client up on the line
Me
a
no
while
feel
ago,
like
you know.
this I go work out.
I client up on the line a while ago.
Take them off
I
and
can't
peel them.
distract me, you know.
I'm a sub.
I money me don't charge me a while ago, you know.
You know about no giant for a week.
No, me name but no giant.
So what go on for you? This not gonna work then.
Me a look both. Me a look both.
Me say this not gonna work. Cause this don't make no sense where you have gone right so because I know you can't but no giant.
Me I get a iPhone and latest one me I get a 16.
The how much? Oh. So what go on?
There, so
Where the money there?
give me a piece of local about space.
Later. Give me the money first now.
Yeah,
I'm gonna pay down for something because people want to want pay down for it first. You know the pink cat and stuff?
Yeah,
Cute
check
and
me back
girly?
later. Me a charge it.
So you can't give me it now?
No, me not have it now.
If I later, me go want
Me top up a done and me go buy back service.
So 800 if I later? You agree with that?
6.
8. 9.
6.
9.
Me wait that man, yeah.
You gonna give me?
Me I'll get man. Later.
Alright, that's what I love you and you know that. Later.
Hello? Yeah, sorry about that, okay? Yeah, so as I was telling you before.
Girl, this one hot.
I tell her, this one hot.
Hot bad.
I'm so know what it is. Yes, I get hotter and hotter. I get no cool.
That bone up with the Coca-Cola.
I say, sis? I have something to tell a girl.
What no?
You don't know what the man I have. Feel like the man a cheat for me.
Oh, you know that?
Because of the you know, like when you're there with a man and the little vibes I'm used to give and him used to talk to him, call it 24/7 and check up on you, but
now that
I'm kinda move away now, so me not really.
Alright, you know, the man they a good man. Me not believe the man they a cheat.
So you know say I'm a good man.
Because
you did there with him before?
No, I never there with him before, but I see how him deal with you.
Yeah, but me I tell you him now move so now.
Well, me don't know about that. You talk to him about it?
Alright, me I talk to him but him I say I know nothing like that, but if me call him decline the call. Me text him see me so. I don't normally see me call him, normally answer me call him so. I don't really know what.
So you plan to go do?
I have to go try the little investigation, you know. Because I'm not just like a my man say crazy.
I mean, you love him too, you know.
Yeah.
But I need to talk to him because me don't know what, me even know what to want to have. Why you just a drift with fry or so?
I'm not doing nothing. So
you're not going good night bed again?
No, girl, you know, so me have to bubble and I have to go down and me have to. Yeah, you know. So I know that's the problem.
Why problem?
I don't know if I have an ex-woman out there and...
You keep on saying that you're not seeing him doing it.
And the feeling
tell us you need to talk to him and get things out of him before
you want to talk to him and ask him what me do him then because me I talk to him and him not tell me.
Me have no problem. My sister, me got your back. So just come here, so. And me ask him why am I going on you? Because he's a good girl and me no want no man I did my sister in here. And if me find out say he have no other woman out there, he not gonna like me. You need to talk to your man. Or you can't come and
me
talk
to him and him not hear me.
Are you not talk to him good?
No girl, you have
because
to
talk
talk
to man. That's me no want to know.
No, you have to talk to him. So anyway, I go down and see me see him.
Me I come there now. Me I come there.
Yeah, come.
Yes, me I come there. Come.
Oh God, but I'm tired of phone. Sun hot and look boy. The boy live far.
Far live, baby.
Far live, brother.
But that like my friend, so.
Which friend that?
Friend from school. Let me have to tell about. One of me have to tell about man, but me and him talk all long.
Oh.
And she see him one.
Oh, bro.
Girl, what?
Long time I see
here, girl.
A long time I don't see you. What are you doing in them place here?
Get them found look man do. Hi, me I go look for.
You find man on sir?
Yeah. So what go on?
Me there with my sister. I walk go up the road. I'm glad me see a
So
long time I don't see
I
you.
never know she.
How is she?
She's my friend. This is my sister. My friend
hi.
T, and this is my sister
So she go on
Jody.
so far.
I saw she's staying up here, no mine.
Anyways,
I don't
y'all.
like you still now.
That don't put it, my girl. Like,
Hello. No stop it right
Come
now.
Yeah, talk to
come,
me, sister.
girl.
Talk to me too, baby.
So, alright.
Yeah.
Back away.
Hello, do not talk to my
Anyways,
sister
girl.
like that. Me your
So
friend.
we are going so
Me
far.
not going away, but me
So
not care
control
approach
your
my
sister.
sister.
Control
Alright,
your mouth.
alright, baby.
I want to miss
Alright,
Peppery.
alright.
Anyways, yeah, so what go on?
Me there, yeah.
I'm saying if I want to look man, you know, so by me I go check.
Do you
So,
want to?
yeah.
People like nobody pan this lane.
So what?
I
You
try
not
to see her
like
man
it,
come from around here, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anyways, me catch you later.
Alright, my
Yeah?
baby, yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, shut up your mouth. Me tell you
No,
yourself.
no, good friend that you
Behave
have.
yourself. Get a walk left, so take time now.
Me tired, you know.
Sit down, man, me tired.
I mean, like, me want to sit down too.
Me are the bigger one, if you have manners. Kind of behavior. What kind of act that you pull on this so when that girl that pass? I'm a friend, you know. You cannot do that. Me
Cannot
tell you,
do
say you
what?
need to chill, bro.
Chill, what? Me tell you something. It's when you say, oh, the girl look like I'm a friend. Oh, I'm a friend, I'm going to see the girl. Can tell us, my spirit just and take the girl. There's something not right about this girl.
What
and
right
then the
about
girl I
her?
got tell her, say, oh, she come around here because she find a little man around here, so. But she find man around here, so. And me they go to my man. Not if I'm my man, she they take her.
Do you not know that? Come on, type people in business. That has nothing to do with you. Me tell you, say not to take nobody from
It's
around.
not a good
from
friend
around
you
there,
have.
so.
You don't have a good
I
friend.
mean, she not one good friend. My friend is a good friend from school days. No,
Oh, so you put your friend over here,
no,
sister,
nobody,
now.
no,
But she's
baby.
not a good friend.
Me not put nobody over my sister. You
She's
crazy?
a good friend. She don't know if keep her mouth and respect your sister. She too enough.
And my sister, but enough up in the girl. That's too enough.
You're too enough. You
Are
are
you
too enough.
Shut your mouth and don't talk to me.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up your mouth.
Don't tell me to shut up. You feel like say you're big and you can't come tell me to shut up. But tell your big mouth friend to shut up and allow me. You're not favor hype post.
You know something I like you sometimes.
Me not like you every time, all the time, no day.
No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. My son tell him I kill you. This a girl, the will pick you up. Watch.
As a girl do so. I'm saying, hey, sister, which girl lick you? You already forgot they go fight.
Not again, baby. You don't like your sister, so I'm not busy about you.
Too much and a good friend you have.
Move on in front of me.
Move,
One
move,
house.
I think like you.
Watch me when me come in there. Disgusting. See you for ya.
Baby.
It take too long, man.
How
How
are
are
you? But if I had me, the walker come.
Go move a while again.
Eh?
Come here, say.
Are you gonna give me money? Stop going and say, alright though.
You try to me, money you want. I understand
Stop
this.
say that.
What money you want?
Just give me everything what you have. Give me everything what you have.
I don't do that. You have bills to take care of, baby.
Like what kind of bill?
Hmm?
This?
Buy the suit, you want 45,000 that when I change
This?
it.
So give me 2 more now?
Yeah. So tomorrow me give you another 2, but...
No,
like,
tomorrow you have to give me like 6 of them.
for now,
But anyways, it's not bad.
you know, for the dialing work, me have to dial and a dial.
So what you say about this something now? The phone, cause next week I girl ship and I
Alright.
want the phone for snap with the girl them.
I have a client to beat later, so... I will
And make sure you beat it, you know. So what if you not beat it and get it? May I get the phone still?
Listen, me will be a strong mama.
So you get it?
Yeah.
So may I get the phone and more money tomorrow?
You know, I'll get the phone tomorrow, but I'll get your money tomorrow.
You can't mother with them rough type of money and I can't mother with this,
I
you
tell you
know.
everything, I'll get it before the trip. I just told me it's a busy man, I make it go.
I want it weeks before the trip. I want it today or tomorrow. Or else everything I forgot because I can't mother with this. You're too true.
So you serious about that?
Me look like me a smile?
Yeah. You can't give me until Monday then.
Sunday. Come now, Sunday.
Alright.
Alright.
Sunday me get.
So you say you're going with now?
Yeah. I go and cool out the phone, go back in the office.
You know I'm hungry though. The money I have to just buy the clothes, you know the bath suit that I want, and the money I have to eat. It's all short, but I just so. You can't hold the woman. Awa.
45,000 for one bar suit.
Yeah. You don't want me look good?
Mama, you better go put on one underpants on your jaws
Me can't do that.
and go swim.
Come on, stop once. What you say?
45,000, too much you want bar suit. Oh, I want it for the gold.
Yeah.
Diamond.
Mm-hmm. You don't want me look good and send a picture or something?
Yeah, but
No, nothing in night. What you say? Give me the something I'm hungry. Come on, man.
buy yourself a burger.
What else can I buy?
One burger.
Just like I buy burger? You come here, you think me and them look come girl, you have to come good or go home. You don't know what this. And this me come here suffer? Come on.
No, sir.
Thanks. So what you say about later?
Check my later.
Check your where?
Me yard.
Tomorrow.
Later. Check my
Yeah,
later.
give me some later?
Yeah.
Alright. So, you don't want to hug no I say just... Yeah.
Alright, love you.
Alright, later.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure no man, yeah?
Yeah.
Come with a loyal man.
Alright, you must take
Can't
one.
find a better loyal man than me.
Alright, later.
Alright, waggling.
What the great in the house this so long? I'm just out calling, you know. I cook.
Where they call me for?
I
More
cook,
nothing?
No want me nothing, but me ask if you cook.
Yeah, me they
Feel
cook for me
hungry.
man when I come over. Wa.
So that's my cable?
Yeah, me no busy there. You know say you the big sister. You know say I big one.
Yeah, me a big one, so what? Because if me a big one, you can't cook and your sister to my food.
No, you have to go left because my man a come.
So put man over me now, me put, and if me see me put my friend over you vex and go on.
Listen to me. Go on, cause me no want you meet him and
Me
me
nah
no want
go-
you see him. So just take yourself and go on, cause me never cook nothing for me and you.
Well, this could have been joke or something. What you mean you not cook no food for me?
You're the deaf. You're not hearing what I'm saying. I say I didn't cook any food for you.
See me say don't play with me. I mean I go nowhere. Because eventually me I
get
go
out.
meet him. I go know him. I
You
know
know,
the man
well,
you tell
me
me
no
say I
want
give you
you
bun.
meet him, so you have to go come
Don't
out
worry
and go
yourself,
where
man.
you go.
Don't worry yourself.
No.
Don't worry yourself. You see, you'll get the shitty end of the stick and hear and listen when me talk to you. You listen when me talk to you. You say the man no want you.
If me they get the shitty head, they get the water shit in your mouth.
Me not keep the same man, sister.
I hope
Me and
not.
you not keep the same man.
Or yourself.
Me just hope one day, when puss come to shore and you find out what keep your man, the girl bust up your face and you not call me.
You're idiot.
You're a
Go
fool.
on. You
You
go
a
on and-
fool.
Where you
Go
do?
sit down.
Me not sit down, come here and take a seat,
And you
man.
what this?
You the rank, you're bright. I go talk about if me and no girl I take the same. You see a man I come beat the girl for me, I go talk about if me I take
Sit
no
to me.
girl, man. Go on where you are.
Yes, ask me in the front.
Cause you never wash it properly. Did
We
you?
just do a while ago.
You never wash it properly, did you? No.
I'm not gonna argue then. You know why I'm not arguing that I'm not bust up your face. But remember, I'm tell you, you will get the shitty end of the stick. I'm going about my business. Stand away from your man when I
You
want
don't
you.
them favor for alligator.
Yes,
pan.
like your long lip. Giraffe body.
Like the one under you.
Yes, baby. Make it, man. Tired.
Where you come from? Make you tired now.
Oh, me did, you know, they do the work. Go on, see me can juggle and make some money and thing, and so you can get to do your hair and buy what you want. Anyway, you're alright. You're not have food stuff and so that me come check up on.
No, you know, see me alright though.
Oh.
I really want no money and I can't even do me here myself, so that not really bother me. So you don't have to stress out yourself about that.
So why me can't give money a good woman and so
But it cook some foods for you still.
what you cook?
Cook some oxtail for you.
So who?
Oxtail.
What name so?
Oxtail. You don't eat oxtail?
Me know about axe, we pickaxe wood, but me don't know what the tail.
Alright. When you go in, you will find out.
No, me have to know what kind of oxtail me I eat. Mama, me don't know no animal named ox, so me don't know what you talk about oxtail. Me don't know them something there. So when you cook food with animal, let me understand.
So you have to know the animal feed the food.
So how me,
How you know pig but you don't eat pork? Me not understand.
how me know pig and me not eat pork? Because me know that a hog and pig are the same thing.
Oh.
Oink, oink. Them are the same. So me not really. But when I say ox tail, where you come from?
You don't know where it come from. Either you want the food or you don't want the food. Because I don't need to give you no big explanation.
I mean, now go eat that ox tail unless me know where it come from. Me not.
And where me come from. Simple as the one where it come from. Like you don't know. They ask question. Ask more. What else? You want to know where the rice come from too?
The belly full. Me nobody want nothing.
Oh, good.
Me alright, me good. Me good. Anyway. Me come to tell you say, me might spend 2 days away from country. Starting
Yes,
from later.
Oh, where you say all of
I want to spend 2 days from country starting from later. Me now go 2 days, you know.
Me not think me here well. You say you not go there
For 2 days.
as of from today.
As I'm from later in the evening, I am going to go on a money mission to make some money so you can get some money to stack up your place, you know. Next year,
When
well,
you think me an idiot? Which money mission? And you not tell me no money mission.
me and
So
Jack,
all of a sudden money mission come up so you want to go. Go do the money mission and come
you
back.
want me come friend job on? Me and him go for the money mission. We go, well, you know.
Man to man lie, man we pick up for man.
No, man, no. You know, say a Christian that not tell no lie for me.
Well, if you say so.
Yeah, man, me just all go.
So how long it a go take?
Well, as me say, 2 days me I go for. If me I go take one extra 2 more days, me make you know.
Well,
'Cause you are my baby.
that not really. Wait, tell me say at 2 days. So why you gonna say it may take more than 2 days?
Because
A
certain
money
things.
mission is supposed to know how long it a go take. You're not supposed to
True.
debate if it not finish. I try to use
True,
the head for
true.
me or something.
No, why should I? Have I ever tell you a lie?
No, I know.
Right. Have I ever cheated on you?
Not
No.
that I know of.
Why you hold off the way you know of?
We can't
When me
testify
eat
to what
every
me know
day.
of.
Yes, sir.
We just say no want the food.
Me don't eat Mama, I don't know what name Hacksteel. I don't know. I first hear that the animal name the Hacksteel. I never eat Hacksteel before me in my life. And you want to come give me Hacksteel?
No near me.
Me tell you the last time what happened with one girl with stew peas, you know. Me tell you already, you know. She cooks stew peas and it's a good thing that God take me up out of the bed to go around the our padness she have over it and squeeze it out in the stew peas. So, Mama, right over it.
Are you near me?
Me on your backside. And then you know what she do? She open out the pad and she, you see what the little fuzzy where your blood catching her? She crush out in her hit and she stir it. Stir it out. Me? I will never
But
eat
you the name
nothing.
from me as a woman, so oh you know say me not do that tea already and tie you. Remember soup you drink last night, so you don't know what me do twist you, but you drink it on your belch and go your bed. So we are trying to now. Last time I check, you get tired and you don't know.
God, I don't understand what's going on in this world.
You
Where's
say
your
you
while
go
ago, Mama? Where's
you
your-
say you're going for 2 days to make some money.
Yeah.
So you can go and go make the money for the 2 days and come back.
So, if you call me and my phone go voicemail,
You're not supposed to go vice me, come give you all power bank to walk with.
power bank can do it.
If not dead car, you can charge 4 phone one time and a 1 phone you have.
Right, yeah. You see you here?
Yes, I'll see you. Take care.
I'm glad, because woman like you know if you get born, because see them come and give you money because me I go for 2 days and I want no money. I shall marry you. You shall get the ring.
No worry. I'm waiting on it.
You shall get the ring.
I will
promise you
take
that.
the ring.
I'm a loyal man, the loyalest man in the earth right now. I don't give bun, nor cheat, nor fornicate with nothing. Love you, yeah.
You go on. Go on.
And that soup business there. Me I
Go
come
on,
back
what
to
you
you
wait
after
for?
2 days. Remember?
Go on. You damn fool. Me tell you not even know you the chat.
Killer, sleep here, sir. If you sleep on roadside, man.
No, there's a daydream boy client to me, bro.
Oh God, more about one to boy, wanna go on man, if you know one boy, man, I tell
Bro,
you.
so I call them whistle up anyway. Someone up on the line.
Boy,
Every day I want the first. Every day I was through my top up, man. You can't buy me a top up.
no go on for no father. One of my friend when I'm one of my friend when that not go on. How you do? Not the years, but dog man. I hear the right thing, my father man. Not the years, man.
The woman of mine, yo.
From other day.
How you find him, the girl?
Off the line.
Which lane you go and find him, the girl?
I don't know where you come from, daddy.
Where?
Up some of the line, you come from, man.
My mind, yo.
Yeah.
So that
Babe.
can buy me top.
Babe.
Oh no, baby.
Hello.
Where you come from?
And I'm not getting up here yet.
Yo, with dog.
I want to him.
I walk with my father. You're my woman, this one, so nice one.
Nice.
I walk him though.
Hello.
You know her?
You don't know
I want to him.
Say you run to.
You upgrade, daddy. You got a road.
Oh, come
Anyways.
here, when they go on, you know.
So
I'm not getting up here.
You
You going cuss?
No, man. No,
I'm not getting up here.
You're probably forgetting up here today.
I must say I live in I'm doing them and every time they send the money on time, so I'm not getting up here yet.
I don't find all different work in the cars. I live in thing still, me I tell you.
So me I got where you go eat? Me not getting up here, you know? Me not have no money at all.
No worry about
You
that,
just
my
a
father,
tell
man.
about burger, you
Where
want
you go
burger,
eat?
brother. You just a tell me say you want number
I
one.
want a little bit of money there for my card. Not even good look can buy nothing.
Oh, me take one of them winners food there with this man.
So much for that?
Pork food.
No, dog, chicken.
So what you talk to him for?
No, he must that
Chum.
chicken that boat.
What you say?
You take one large food and winners, man. But 1 9 bills feet.
But me not have no money, so what you want me to do?
Use a card, yes, you have.
That's the money on the pan for me fair figure out work tomorrow.
Use the card, man. No worry yourself, man. God will provide. No worry yourself, man.
So when you come now, you gonna get the money? Come in and have it on me, I'm gonna go back feet and
So you're
come
not
down.
going to town?
No.
You can't go on the road right now, it's so hot. But you go down there, man.
Me go and fear, you fear.
Give me money, me can get it. You can get it.
Send him. You say no, boy?
No,
You can
sir.
send
I'm
him.
looking back this chop on you, will rob me. You alright?
Oh.
Step up in one, yeah?
But you know, I live in where me do, and sometimes the old man don't really have it to do
You
me.
can't go find a hotel out there.
Me not have them body there.
You mean not them body?
You know, you have to go there and them place with your good body.
Daddy, me not give money, daddy.
Different.
Daddy, me not give money, daddy.
I want to you. You know, see me, I talk to my man, I want to you.
Talk to your man.
No, give money,
I know
daddy.
me a combo. Talk to your man.
Exactly. What you say
You go buy
now?
food?
That me for go walk in and son go buy the food?
You know, come and look for them here in our town.
Me not have no friend.
You can't walk, you're not too far still. But,
What kind of food they say you want?
chicken, breast.
So for me, yeah?
You can buy one for yourself too.
Me not have no more money. I want money, so me I go eat.
What do you mean by one money?
I want you hear me say one money,
What you
like
call
one
it one
500 dollars. I go say me can beg no money for no dance, him can get some put for the money, but that's all I have.
You like them a life, I know. Do I have to
So
do?
why you not go look work then?
I want to say me do, I learn my work from what not go on right
Are you
now.
not drop nothing off our line?
Nothing not go on right now, man. I learn come down already.
What you say? What kind of food you want?
Just tell them I want already now. Go on, man, go do the right thing. But that's my birthday.
Alright, make sure you come down early now.
Yeah, by 10 o'clock then.
Alright, me go soak your foot them, yeah?
Alright, I love that.
Yeah, later.
Let's go on, daddy.
See,
Oh,
you know, I'm going to you. You
Chang, though.
look good like when somebody look across the road, brother. I swear.
Man. But where's she going out, daddy? Because you know, say, boy.
So she am what she buy? Cause me want know.
She buy me everything I'm forget, man.
Everything we forget.
Clothes. Put money on pocket. I may go out other night when I she do it.
And she buy all of them the
And the
bottle.
money me I spend. I fear money. So now go on and then sometimes with the active another day, but and I watch them on my father, man. Me I tell him.
Bro, you know me, I'm pray for like that happened to me, youth. And that happened to you, dog.
So you
We
sound
never
so.
want it.
Never want it, but it just me have to just go and work with it. Work with my father. What me I go do? Suffer. Me not probably about teeth, you know, my dog. But I'm gonna leave my teeth on the line. Don't go to go stick out nobody on teeth.
You don't want to book now, look, brother.
Me know some nobody get money because you go use it by top up.
No, I'm gonna buy it up.
Mm-mm.
But I buy small food and use the rest.
You see, you see him talking about large food more, daddy.
I make up that, you know, you buy.
Yeah, me not trust you a lot. Me not trust you, daddy.
So you don't trust me?
Mm-mm.
I mean, I par for years.
Cause me know you come down,
And
daddy.
you trust she do. And you just know what day.
And she give me money.
Yeah, I switch the money.
I don't switch me, I switch
I
daddy.
switch
But no
up
me I
on the
spend the
money.
money. No me I spend the money.
No, me I spend it.
I mean, so,
Cause you spend money one night, me didn't know it's a fair.
I do that, me I tell you.
So
And I
I
told you
mean,
bra 40.
no, you
I
never
lie.
say, yo, well, a thing in your pocket. When I buy a room for myself,
How
and
much
nah,
back
but
like anything to buy?
no,
I
yeah,
end up.
say we like a me and you
What
to
I
give
mean,
money.
yeah, part
And
of you say
we, are
we.
you say, you say me, she give the money, me.
Me, she
You
get the
never say
money. Okay, no?
we.
Alright, me, she get the money.
Yeah, you,
But we spend the money. Remember, how much back like anything,
who
dog?
you
6
got bar?
buckle. No, me and you.
Me stay at the table and
No,
you
daddy.
alone go to the bar.
No, me, you got bar. Remember good, man. You can't move for daddy.
No. Yeah, baby. No, me tell you, me soon come back. Me downtown right now. No, me I deal with something for my sister right now. Me and I told me there. Yeah. So I blow up a breeze and I blow. Yeah, me soon check her. Girl, I can't remember the name of
And he
girl.
was in the line, that daddy.
But she not the money and money girl me want.
Boy.
Me not benefit this.
Mm.
Oh, me just a lose my stamina this. Me just a lose. Every time she want it, we can't bother.
Yo, I make a dig off still, my father. You see?
Where you
I make a dig off, and I go on the road.
go? How far do you
Come with me.
Me tired now, so every time I come Paris, I'm tired.
What you mean by you're tired?
Every minute, brother.
I don't know what you're tired to do.
You know, say from me walk, I come down.
Here now.
Me I say to you, say, if me walk, I come down. You can never see my yard for at least 3 hours. How am?
Mama,
And when me come down your yard, at 2 days, I want to see your yard. How am?
you have food? Remember, see me love my belly and my name 24/7. So what you mean by?
So when I become now food up on my yard, I can't stay and keep my company.
No, you have come down my yard with food there.
Miss, when me come down here, like a board house, and you cook your food, you give me none? You always tell me, say, I feel dirty foot, man. Don't.
The board house, but you love come on the door.
Tell you my sister. I mean, no, say, every time you cook, you don't give me none of what.
Because my man always come out food and I not give him share.
So because you put man over your sister?
Yeah.
All right then. You tell me say your man a give bun down.
Me
Push come to sure.
think he might
And
give me
you find out
bun.
the woman them a give bun with. And me a call, don't call me. No one give me a call. And me
Tell
a
the
come
woman
back
fi
you.
call.
Me not come back you, baby. Cause why? You not for my well for me, big girl for you, you know. You make me dead for hungry and you not make me faint. Don't touch me, man.
My big sister, stop going so now. We are going so far.
Come hungry. Come in and go and cook.
Yeah, though. If me tell us the food down there, can get food. Yeah, be
We are doing nobody suffer.
I don't know where you be so far.
Nobody stay man fit
food
me
yeah,
find one
be so
man.
far after you cause me say me live in a board house.
But if nobody say true, but you know say true, you cook down there.
But
you get some food and you cook.
you know say I not really have no food down there to cook still, you know.
So wait food there. I know what you got Western and go draw money and buy much grocery. How what? You man them everything?
No in you know
Me know my sister lie.
you know say you can't look for me, but you never left no money and the groceries are done. So no one really do they buy no food. I pure water me a drink.
So
That's why I see me they come
shut up your mouth, make me talk now. Me a big sister for listen to me. You a cook food give man when I give you nothing. And your sister will did that with you 24/7. You know I can get none. But I could give dirty food. You know boy do I
because man buy
one
give
day
me
man
money to buy the
prove
food.
you wrong. Can you pick up the man to me because you can't trust them?
If the man give me the money to buy the food, your man take the man money, man you.
Jody, the last time me check, you tell me say that man did give you $10 to buy some cook. So now in get food. Now in get money to buy food.
And put in our house. So
where money there? Where get money give you?
All like shrimp and the lobster them when me give you. I him buy. I never me buy.
So like that tells when I tell me say I never get $10 yet. What kind of sister you be? What kind of sister you be? You can't lie to your sister, your blood.
Me never tell you say no give me no money.
You tell me say he never give you $10 and $20 yet. So now him give you money to buy food.
But you did tell me say not eat from him and me never want look say if you eat the shrimp and the lobster alone, me did just say money he give me and me buy, I never him buy.
Wow. Wow. That's why me can't trust you and me. Sorry, sometimes say you are my sister. Because you have dirty ways. You know some me don't like it. Me don't even know your man. But you know some me don't like say man, you take things a man don't. Especially food.
You know like me man, but you name from him do.
Me never know say I'm cook the food.
Figure you.
But now me know. So one time me come out your yard, me I go find out who cook before me yam.
And me always a cook, but the man buy say you go forever name it. Cause now you hungry and you go come down, they come name the last piece of mackerel and rice I'm having at the
party. Me not understand you know because every minute you tell me say the man not give you no, and then you go turn on a story and say the man give you things. That's a lie. It's a little bit of a lie.
Your man no lie.
Me not none. You see a maga. Sometimes I see my sister.
I have a shrimp.
We are going here. Yeah. Can you know me hungry? Come on.
I look at mackerel down there. Cause just that alone down there.
If I feel a topic, come.
Alright.
Boy, what do you say about this?
I walk grab me yard right now. I'm frustrated and tell you.
Oh.
Mama, so now walk so.
How are?
Nice to go down here so.
What do you What the name? Do you know what you talk about for me, sir? Thank you.
Hey, no come here, so now me taking. So you no look here, so. Look over there, so.
Can put on the side.
Put up on which side?
On the sideline.
Must think a donkey this way you put.
No, not to be donkey.
Well, you look at this.
Me say me take
So we
him.
have family
Me no long chatting to you.
Listen to me.
I mean, I respect for
Listen
my
to me.
relationship.
Me no want you to look at me.
Well,
You
him
know
a
why?
go come here tell him so you
Hello.
need to talk to me.
Let me talk now. Listen to me. Me single. Yeah.
Yeah, she sing.
But me can't do it to her uno. You know why? Because I'm not so local for them with two friends. But what I'm saying,
Oh, I'm taking killer.
okay, now come me see it.
I smile blind.
Okay, now hello, cute boy. Anyways, but me can't take one out no, but he want to have the most money.
So if I give me a like,
What you mean by one? I say hello, my girl. I'm money you gotta do with man for?
Shut up, your mouth. Me and your sister for how much years now? Can you bad down?
We can't do with a man for money. You're not even
Shut
if
up
you
your
man a
mouth.
thief.
Me no business. Can you know me? You know say me love this. And if me I go do with a man, he must have money. He take care of me.
Suppose a man
Shut
just
up.
load up some fake
Because-
money and give you.
Mama, me a farmer, and mama.
That's a farm, your money.
Me, I'm a grow food.
Oh, money me
Yeah, you
want.
can't deal with him.
Money
Because
me
you
want,
can get
can me
money.
love this.
No, but you can't deal with him because he...
grown food.
Money me want. Money me want to buy what me want. Me not need
Hey.
junk food.
You can't deal with him because grown food can't sell and
When
get
you have
money.
your money, hair look so damn nice. Your color just sexy. Look at your hair just
You know,
bright
yeah,
pan
you
you.
You know, you're fool.
No, me and me.
Look how much money in the
That's
farm.
the pro
Before you
that
suck up
way.
the man, you
That's
go
why
fuck a man
me
without money.
ask you when I have money.
But him no, you know, see him look. You look like a this when you mind him.
You know.
Remember, say farming money in a farming. So you have to take him up. You can't tell this a coffee,
Some
my
more,
girl.
where you single?
Me say me take him.
Hello,
Come
me
over
talking
outside
to you.
now.
I'm talking to my sister. My sister have a man, them.
So much money I have, my friend.
Man.
So you can't...
Me single.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, your shirt just so white pan you. You can't jump in my life. You look
In
sexy.
the farmer life, you go drop in a man where him just look good, same name nothing.
The man he tell us I'm single and him looking somebody.
You know, just your man same single, you there?
Me never hear. Anyways, I'm money.
Just don't find him so.
Because man, you talk where you have you know. You say you're a farmer. Hello, answer my question. Your money?
You beat
Oh,
up
I'm a
people
farmer
them,
too.
so.
Who are we a farmer?
Well, me can't take it to one. I have to take one. Because I want man in my life.
More jumping.
And money you want, that's why you're not going to end up with none of them. Because you're too greedy for money.
You know, so sometimes I wonder if me and your sister for true.
Me I tell you, you can't do with a man for money. Money
Well,
can't do
hello, so we are
tomorrow.
going to take me number and give me a number.
I really want your number right now. Come here,
Oh,
like,
bitch, come on. Tell her which one fit take and you not take it.
So we are jam stuff, you pop my foot.
You fit take it farmer man.
He told my farmer, me don't know which one.
But me I tell her which one fit take.
Which one have the most money?
The black one, you
Oh,
see
yeah.
short black.
Oh, yeah.
This one you look like you not even know if you dig yam. Look pan it and I look
Oh,
pan
you
this
know which one
one.
have the
Yeah.
most money? You see
The
all them
one, yeah.
pocket? Money me want. Me want go do me nails, me long hair.
But
Bye,
the man
bye.
can't sell the farming things, them and make you get money.
Girl, where
that
you-
the one only tell us send do farming because other one tell us send do farming. Forget it. You was the head no
Oh,
my
so
girl.
Well, when me see one next time, can I look so damn good? You know, me never know saying no money.
Me tell us the farming have money in him if you take away him say next one I say because him want you too. Much I confuse the
Tell the
brain,
truth.
my
Well,
girl.
one day I go see them back. One day I go see
Yeah,
them back.
man, when
and
you
I drop
see
in
back
my
and
life.
yes.
Alright, my sister. Come here, go down here, man. Them.
Man, them. Oh, yeah, come. See me, I tell you? The man a good farmer, man. But you know, listen to me, no, you know, listen to me.
Oh. You can't sit down the road and come back. Go and go cook.
Alright, me a go look. Where you want to eat?
Anything, sis.
Alright, me a look for something for you.
Alright, baby. Soon come.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss Johnson. Yes, ma'am. Don't worry. Ma'am, listen, I tell you. The UPS truck, yeah. Don't worry about how me talk, ma'am. I tell you already, say me sick.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What, me a single? Me don't know if I know about.
Oh, if me single?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I'm single with an E on the end.
Alright then, so me single too, you know.
Huh?
And me feel lonely sometime.
Lonely?
Yeah,
How
well,
could I cause it?
me lonely sometime, and sometimes I want to go to the beach with a man, you know, but me not a man to go nowhere with. So we
Alright.
say.
You see, with me now, when it come on to relationship, I don't go to the beach.
Well, no matter, I just want a company. I just want.
I like to stay away from social media. I don't take picture with woman. Because as a single man, you don't want no man, you don't want no other woman out to see a man and want him, right?
Yeah.
So I don't do photo shoot together.
I understand that. I have a problem with that, but
And I don't walk on road together and hug up.
understand.
Right. So if you see me on the road, I walk and come down, and I walk and come up, you just say, well, I go have my friend, but you know, say, the boyfriend upon you put the boy after.
Okay then, so where say can go on?
Well, you know, say, two of my stress, look here. Money.
For you.
Yeah, money I make it drop off. Don't worry, that money in there, man.
Oh. So
Yeah.
you can give me more money, please? Because my sister not enough to eat tonight.
You just know me, right?
Yeah, me just know you about. Yeah, me a good
Where you?
with my sorry time.
That you know, to come here and say, good evening, my name is XYZ, or good afternoon, my name is XYZ. You just come in here, you
Good
just talk about
afternoon,
money.
sir.
So you're a woman that love money.
Me not love money, sir, but me want cook. We put food on the table for my sister. You know, she said she can cook, but no, she not in the house to cook.
Oh, you have a sister?
Yeah, me have a sister, a little sister. Me and I live. I live with her, but me got her sometime. Yeah.
That is nice, that is wonderful. So you ever think of working?
Yeah, but me can't get none right now. So that's why I look at money, man.
You know why you can't get no work?
Why?
The two nose ring them in your nose. It's kind of scary the boss a little.
So what wrong with me nosing them?
No, when you look job, you see boring up your ears like that and boring up your nose cannot get a job like that. And you do your ear like a picnic, so that make it worse. Them big old bubbles, you don't do your ear like that. You understand?
Why?
It's like how you can look me now, if me never see you work now, would I say you look a picnic?
Sir.
Because big woman, now go put it down, look a picnic, now go put it in smiley.
There's a far reach in my mouth.
I don't only that no one put down in your mouth. You think I'm here alone, no one put in your mouth?
Where you want to put in my mouth?
Something else.
Sir, you give me money or not? Because my sister up there, as I said before, me know she said she can cook, but me know she not have nothing. So just give me her money, please.
Can I get your number first? Or you want to take mine?
Me not have my phone for me. Take mine.
Go and put your number in at the same time. While the money I come up, because anyway the money there money there now.
Alright. Go on here.
No matter that I grow, they grow. But after I take up it. Alright, hold that.
So look my money there and
No, just buy yourself something with that.
so you say you give me?
Eh?
You say you give me? When me come back, me can get more?
Plenty
come back,
more
you know.
did where you come from, mama. As long as you can work with me, no problem.
Alright then. So, where you say your name?
Oh, my name now. My name. My name?
Yes sir, where your name?
Name.
Name?
Yeah.
So what your name with your mother? Your name? Your name?
Oh, and it's not really my mother, you know. It's one time my father did go up on the hospital and then say, write the name there so. She don't just write name.
Oh, so she never understand. She couldn't read.
My father never really understand because he went drunk. They all tend to write the name there so. So he going to write name. He never say write your picnic name there so. That's a right name, right? So.
Right name, okay. So me understand now.
So that's right name.
Yeah.
You can spell
But
is a
come like
bright
your
boy.
father done. Your father done, man, because write your name there so.
You never say right name there, so it's a right name there, so right the name there, so.
Oh, me understand.
So if somebody say write the name there, so you go put the name there, so.
No, I put my name there so because my name never ask for your father now understand that because probably can't read. Me nah disrespect your father though. Because one day I will be my father-in-law.
What call this still?
Alright, make sure you come here, yeah?
Yeah.
And my sister up there, I know she hungry because things I was to eat.
Yeah.
So just call me, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Alright then.
Take your time, go on, okay?
Alright, I don't do it, me I go still.
Yeah.
Me I go buy some stuff to cook.
Alright.
Alright.
Go on.
Yeah.
Wish you well.
Alright, call me.
Yeah, man.
Right.
I left the silver them.
Money. Jody! Jody!
How that?
I'm
Oh,
a
sis.
girl. Yes.
Where you come
Me
from
come to tell
now?
you something.
You ever have something to tell me?
Get money, girl. Find money man down the road. You know what money man?
Where you get money
You
from?
not happy for me?
Where you get the money from?
One man me see a pass down the road, girl. Me beg him the money for put something on the table for
You just
tonight.
go to him and say, hey man, beg you some money, and the man just give money, so?
No, me that talk to him, Michael. Do something wrong?
Let me tell you about
You never happy for me yet. Me get the money.
You know, you not listen. Let me tell you about money man say. Money man not too want nobody, no, you know, just want somebody and then go so.
But
And
they
then
can't
you
go
so,
so.
and
They
dash
can't
your
go
way.
so.
Because they don't want nobody.
They
You pick
cannot-
up somebody where you try,
Stop your
somebody
mouth.
will
Me
love
is
you.
bigger than you and me do what me want.
You know, go take man
Me
money
not
till
trust me,
you
I
get
take man.
body.
Me not get it because me don't want it. Money me want. Not
But
the
if you
man.
take the man money, I go give your body.
Me never tell you say me want it.
I know where you want, where you go get. Cause
Me don't
you
argue
go
with you.
reach
Come
a
here, go
point
go
where
buy
you go
chicken back.
you go have to take the body before you get the money.
Girl, come from go along the road, go buy chicken back to cook the dinner for the
Me
night.
don't want no chicken back for
So
me.
me want to eat. Me beg you money for me and you
A
eat.
jerk chicken me
So
want.
go buy a piece of jerk chicken.
You like
then.
that?
You can't
I
buy
tell
it.
me I take him back. By the way, which man?
Me don't know a man name.
I don't know
tell
nobody
me say-
money I take.
No, me no nephew. No, he tell me saying single, but he tell me saying name. In name.
You name?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody for name.
He say him father couldn't read. So he put name on the bird paper, so he say name.
You know, you not understand. The man just fool you until I say name. The man have a name. Don't make the man fool you. That should say man no want you just get the money.
How money me want? Me never tell the money, man.
Come, we go buy where you buy. Take money.
You them man, you know me no want no man.
Come.
Girl, me
know
and you
see I
is
go
not
buy
the same
something?
thing. Me and you not the same thing. Cause remember the last time, you know, you go down the road and you take money from man.
When
And then
you
you and
take
the man
money from
fall
man?
in love. Me don't argue with you, come. Go down the road, go
Bye.
chicken back.
You get body till you
Shut up, my mouth now.
What you do?
I hustle some money, you know?
See, you spend a good time with me from you come now. No, I'm not like that.
You always want money, right?
And what?
So I have to be working on my phone. That's how I make money.
Anyways,
When you catch that nigga all the attention you want.
I want a piece of food. I got my fingernail, man, and my toe. Stop going so.
When you take money, me not see what you do with it.
And?
You take money, say I will do certain things to come back here.
And? What
Yeah.
woman have man for? You think I have to just sit down here and play pretty boy or whatever?
I don't like to you do it. But anyway, I'm top arguing. I'm not arguing with man in the car.
Exactly, kind of make no sense because you still argue me.
I'm money me
And
have.
this time I give me no foolish. Give me it good. I want to serve me. I want my fingernail them tall. So I can grab you.
Yeah, wait, bring a receipt when I come.
So what?
When you that's a 40
This
card.
so me I go eat when me dead down there.
Alright, 100, that's a 60. Do you do?
So me fear.
Who?
No ramp with me.
If you go in that town, you need
What me
fear.
not walk?
Jesus. Alright, man.
So you say you do now.
When you come back, we work out it.
Work out what? It's
Wait.
tired.
Go on, just do what you do. Go on.
So you go there when me come back?
No matter me, I go tomorrow. No. As me tell you, me have a mission and me have to go deal
Every
with.
time you have mission.
So me have to go take a
So me I
fight.
get more money when you go away.
Yeah.
I mean I get this something yet. What about the phone? Come on,
Alright.
I'm not fooling you.
So me I go tomorrow. Me I carry come you. Cause guess what? I have to go somewhere for 5 days. After the 5 days,
No.
I come back
Let
and
me tell
spend
you
2
something. Let
days.
me tell you this. Let me tell you how this relationship with you. You're not well looking for 5 days and tell me the full nation. No, defect man, I come in and feel like me I tell you straight.
Alright, 4 days. 4 days.
3.
3 days.
Good.
So go on with the way I do and come back.
Alright. And make sure you cook.
Why? We're gonna tell you 1 cent time we have go. 3 days. After the 3 days, we're gonna tell her, I say, they take 2 days already. Oh, I don't think we want to get out of the road there, man.
Oh, daddy, your steps, daddy. Your steps, so. Go wait. And I'm here. You still in the same suit, daddy, man. If you behave,
Brother,
daddy,
I come
man.
like a style thing, dog.
I don't
Me not
start
talk to
thing.
you already, bro. Me go up a man on the hill, bro. A man say me not for beat him bucket jet.
Wrong
Me
man that
have
they
to
are
bucket
dealing
jet.
for. Wrong over man I got to my daddy, man. If they bring it to my over man.
You mean?
Me right now been going away for money
Bro,
number for but still I can't think of one still give me a thing for
want
his
a
side.
man go up on the hill, brother. And me short. Me just have to listen to a man tell me to me not beat dog. Just
No,
a go
daddy.
on normal. You smell
Alright,
me?
so hold on.
You smell me?
No, me not smell, but hold on, daddy.
Oh.
But hold on there. Too much money you make from and if you not even have bills, not even 5 bills you make off our line.
We don't make nothing yet.
Not even 5
Last week,
bills.
me go, you know.
Not even 5 bills you make, daddy.
No, even
Me no
5
go
bills,
sales man
dog.
I make our bills yesterday.
Hello.
I want no babes.
Say that.
I want to you.
No, no.
Come. So you look over here. So
No. You alright?
what you have for me
Me
today?
get fear. So where you want? Me get 5. I mean I get 4. See if you buy the clock so you want on the shirt.
I want to in your hand. One.
I want.
Oh, I can't buy it.
Can't get one.
So.
What are you? Excuse me, sir. Listen now.
So you say I
Say
go on a
what?
little more. Me there, man. Me dog a reason to see him with
Me go up on the road.
you.
But I want me have so you can't get no food out. Say if you want food, you have to give me your own.
So you can give me something for your money.
If you do again.
Nobody want food out of your money, I want juice.
Come like say me, I mean say you're not working a boy.
What? Oh, yes.
You're not even work.
Who not
I
work?
take a bowl of my money I get you now work. You know say me an idiot?
But when you just bought me, I mean, there in a big traffic line.
And
What
what?
you move, so?
But the chat all the
Nothing
line,
now
all the
go on
line
right
chop
now, my
down.
friend. Calling thief, my client.
All the line chop down, nothing now go on for you again.
But
Just
if I'm
mash
still at
up.
work, though, I pray, daddy.
Buy me food out
Yeah, man.
Me I talk to you, you talk to him. That meant don't do that.
You like how you're moving.
Focus yourself. What you
Must
say
never
now? But
farm
say me
same
and
way,
mine you. Remember.
But
Me
me
take
farm
back my
same
money.
way, no.
Me take back my money.
Take back
Me
which
say
money?
me and
Take back which money? They can't give me to take it back.
I know that.
Easy.
I know that. Not talk to me. Anyways, so me I go up on the road. Where you want?
Wake up on the road, go do.
Me I go
Who
deal
you
with
go check?
something. Nobody? I go do my fingernail and come back.
What time I come back?
I'm not sure. When I come up, I come back.
Take long, you know. More one burger, more. Now my boy sell weed, don't you get 1 5 back out of that same. You see?
Purple kush?
No, Tangy.
Alright. Later.
Alright, babes.
What's him?
You can get bills with killer your mouse. So me have some, I'll bring some.
No. Come like me whole change me science, man,
Me
dog.
can bring it to my science man,
So
daddy.
yeah, get money and you now work.
Who now? Remember say not to take daddy.
Girl is a
You look, money make off a line number 4. I can money make off a line. If you
you know
maintain me.
from when me no hold one of them a dog.
That me I tell you. Actually, every week me make our bills off a line.
Benjamin Franklin,
What I
bro.
hear me say? Me say every week make our increase our bills off a line around bills 50.
Every week.
Every week. I'm a beat every day. I don't say energy, daddy, you know.
That man for start beard then.
More, I don't know what you have to do. But money make off a
Cause
line
me
to
nah
maintain me
beard and me
still.
nah make nothing.
But see money make off a line to maintain me. Mama, I didn't think I carry money can give me same way, so she not have to worry about my pocket.
So she not no friend.
You know, I'm not sure though. I have to go link him. I have to go link him and see what go on, daddy. In real
Chat
life.
to him, man. Cause bro, right now. You know me I go hold a fresh.
Do that.
I go hold a fresh. You smell me before you said do that for. You smell me?
Do that, daddy.
I'm ready.
Yeah, virgin man. Do that.
Oh, you said do that like say you smell me, bro.
Daddy, may I virgin
Man, me
do
ask
that,
if
no,
you
man.
smell me in a
Daddy, how you saying I see him close, daddy? That's the
No,
right
dear.
thing for you, man.
I buy a spliff and go. Like,
A split.
yeah, cause me find a fresh thing. Take it in and give me a thing. Buy a food.
Jeremy. And
Why? I'm tired of now.
Hey! Oh, what is that? This. You know what that?
Hello, you girl. Come
Oh,
here.
what more?
Come here. Where you behave so far?
What's your problem, girl?
I'm here, Josh Woodfan.
Who the cap foot let them wear it?
But now I go wear the cap then, but I'm gonna tell you this now. You see, once you not touch me, or you not make your breath pass or not fly from you pitch palm me, and you not touch no property or walk not even side of me yard gate,
What
I not have a problem with you.
Girl, we don't know
Just
bigger
make
than
sure
you.
say you not trouble me. No, for me property
Girl,
or you
nobody
not touch me. Because you see, once you
Girl,
touch
nobody
me,
want to touch any
I
property
done,
them.
you done, my girl. I tell me, I
not
tell you
ask
that.
me rearrange the face to fear, girl. I not have a look for you.
Go on, no.
I'm gonna want this mountain. Left
You black and favor the rotten post this so. Oh God, I'm so tired. I'm so going to go laugh.
Slemas. Hello. Good evening. How you deal with?
Good evening. Me know that for nothing much. Why problem now?
You stay so far from me.
Me no
Me
know you,
not
so me
buck you.
can't itch up on you.
Me not buck you. Me not want to buck you.
No, you stop me. You supposed to come to me. You can't be a ladies gentleman.
I know.
Hey, you can't come here so with the smoking now. You can't. Me not like the smoking. You can't address me and you smoke. What issue now?
Me tell you something like if I day now I move away.
But
Like
don't
you
me
know.
tell us I'm taking.
So me can go up on the sideline.
What side you at? I not understand.
Therefore,
Side, football side.
ain't one
What
your side, if
side?
you don't have your side.
No, my side them can't hold nobody on me.
Yeah.
Cause you know so hungry couch, you know. Me have two ribs over
Me
here
no,
so broke,
what?
you know. And
Don't
one
worry, man.
fractured over here.
Me
So me
can't
can't
feel in the broke space.
no, but no, you can't fit it there. Me I show
Me
you.
can't feel in it.
Oh, we are go feel
You know,
in.
broke. Me can't wheel up the back, you know.
You have money?
I mean,
You can take care of a man?
of course.
Okay. So you believe in a 50-50 or not?
50-50, no, maybe don't want.
It was
65.
you work?
You can't say that.
I mean by you can't say that. I'm not
Because
understanding.
me self-employed and me perform on the side.
Okay. So me find out now. You say like me though?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I want to ask you now. What if you take me up and me not work? How long you can tolerate me for? Being that me not work.
As long as you take to get a work,
So what if me decide to me not want work? I just want be a housewife.
that even better. It's not what can't clean, right?
I them think they're going.
But if me I go out and bring in the money, you have to try something in the house.
Yeah, man, me wash, cook and clean and cook the good food, man. I come home to a warm meal and everything.
That alone me kind of want still.
So, you have phone for you?
But me can't remember in my head, man. Just tell me what I go on. My brother from the other church.
So you can just give me a link and we think about it and we can, talk about it. 'Cause as me say, we taking.
As me can tell you can put me on the side.
What's, understand, be specific with the side business.
I
No,
mean, you have a man, me can't be side man.
But say side man have the, and can,
Me tell you what go on already.
I choose them. May I think about it, because say, man nowadays and every man lying and thing, and me there I kill up myself on this one when maybe I give my bone and me don't know, you understand?
That matter. I don't worry about it, something, my friend.
I don't know about it, man, but, me just, what going on now?
So me call the escape out, I pen, me do fix
You
back
have
up
big
now.
cow, man.
Yeah, how much money I look on this one?
I know lie, I tell you do farming for true, man. But,
So
me
I
go
fix the
check
pen.
you. I go check your back still. Maybe I can come on your farm one day, not true?
I mean, me know where you come from, me know where you forward pan still,
I'm
cause.
a forward pan it and you teach me the ropes and do the maths and...
Cause in a bedroom where you come on the farm.
But I can't come in a bedroom, so... You know how for... Me no want ya.
No
You have
worry
to know
yourself,
for
man.
wine night, you know.
Me will learn.
You will learn. But
If
who
me
go
don't know if
teach
you do
you?
it, no must you.
No worry, you're so an active dumb friend. So yeah, catch up on you one next time, see it?
Alright. Hope you not think about it too hard, though,
No,
yeah?
I'm not think about too hard. Respect.
You know, I'm there to tell you, fire.
So where them here that's strong and whip on me for? Where are we on me for?
Where you come from?
You mean where me I come from? I go up on the road.
Where do you?
Me dey go look if me see all my man to me dey go up on the road go do business, how?
Thirsty.
So you thirsty and sit down here, sir? So,
Come here,
how
we
much you
buy
pay for that?
Just $100 me there when I buy this. It just
It's a
calm my mind.
worthless
I don't
woman.
stress
You have
out.
$100 and you thirsty and you buy that. Why you never buy a bag juice and quench your
Bag
thirst?
juice can't listen to me. Me just tell you say me stress out, don't. What bag juice can do? Me come to my sister give me money to buy something.
Hello, what up your stress? Now you tell me say you have money, man. And show me say the man give you big money.
Yes.
What happened to the man then now? Yeah,
Yes.
they say boy you're hungry. Every day you come at me yard for food. Like you have man. Yeah, man they give money tap come at me yard for food.
Girl, let me tell you something. You see, in a life, you have to honor your parents, them. Me honor your parents, but my big sister say, I respect.
You can't be my big sister and you they go they say take man money. Eh? Yeah, they take man money backside. Oh, you expect your small sister. What you expect her to do? Go take man money too. Eh? So if you got thief, me if you follow you and go thief too.
Girl, you give me the money, me get something to drink and eat or what. Me not getting no
You
long
see money
talking
for
with
me?
you.
Take it if you
One night,
see it.
house, no brother,
Take it if you see it. Yeah, one
Every
dead
time you start
$100.
talking, you feel like you want to come fight me. Why problem?
Okay, you take man money and you're there hungry. You're hungry before you take the $100 and split in at $250 and buy one little $10 bag juice and buy 5 little bula and yam and full your belly. You take it boy, you're there rubbish.
You know what I can't bother with them. I just tell us I'm stressed. I don't even ask the big sister what I'm to her. Just come today and take me on.
Boy,
Why
you're there
problem?
so you have to stress. You look like you're there from me left this morning 5 a.m. You come like you come at me and come sit down and wait for something for name. So
A
you
long
have
time
to
I there
stress.
wait for you.
You
A long
have to
time
stress
there
and you're
wait for you.
tired to son to beat you
Them
out.
want some money, girl. I can't get no work.
Oh, you want money?
I'm stressed
So,
out.
well,
You know, say me did have money and me did that work. Me would have been stressed out. I'm stressed
yeah, but
out.
what do you assist members? You tell me say you find a money man, you know.
You
And
never
what me
tell
did
us you're
tell you
my
say,
man. Me never tell us you're my man. We tell that?
but you say you find a money man, so anytime you want money, you're supposed to can run to that man. So, you not run to the man now? You're running on the house.
Alright, so I do a long time I go up on the road, man, so me not see him, but
You know, go
before-
on the road long time, but you go on the road for come on me and be last piece of meat and in my house.
me always come on my sister yard. And one time I come on your yard and me left. Where me go? Now my yard back me go.
Yeah, but the time when you take come here and sit down for a man, you know, you could go look for a man, maybe that find the man in give one next money. So what you try to say? You look stressed though. Come.
Can't buy.
Wall up your stress and come out of me yarn. Wall up your stress and lift up.
So you can come up my yard in me alone out tonight, you know.
Me account there with you.
Yeah. Come
So the man money where you take, you look like you're the dodgy man now, make you can't go back for more money. So if you come here, you'll be the next time the man pay you and me get it too.
Send a plan to give me money for my juice.
Me never go take man, me nah no money.
You know what, later, me not come back here.
Go on your dear man, you don't come here for
Or if
me
you're dead,
and
woman.
food.
Send him man that will give me $150,000.
As I say, yeah, look.
Very good, that's fine.
My work for 3 days still, so let's see that there. That's how I make you walk when they go down the road, you know?
Alright.
And I'm see.
Hello. What girl?
You know?
What happened?
My friend.
Yeah.
This is the man I found.
No, man, what you mean?
Yeah, man.
I'm come right, sir. Yeah. What?
Girl. We never just find money, man.
So you don't see a money, man.
But I just look on him. I don't know him at first. I see him.
Tell about no Gigi girl, you know. Anyways, what you say? Where do you say?
I saw away from my sister. But it's like she now come out. I know it's like she even wake up.
Me see that girl at for me, I see girl where the you see me, you want to see how the girl are going, but you want your sister.
Tone down. Do not call my
Me
sister.
say want your sister, girl.
Tone down.
Want your sister.
Hey, my sister now have nothing. My sister
Alright.
just peppery.
Alright then. Anyways, I got my business later.
Alright, girl.
You come.
Oh, my surprise if I know.
Oh,
The iPhone 14, let's say, man. Yeah. Surprise, man, surprise.
I like this.
Yeah. So,
Awa.
Hey. Sit down, man.
huh?
Young man.
Poor, you not have man. Oh, you jumpy, sir. No, man.
So you can't make him man buy more phone when you
Come
want
to the
to
fire party and tell my man buy you for nothing go like that.
One woman deal with a one
Yeah.
woman spend with you. Yeah?
Go sit down. Come in now, who are you?
Alright, baby, come on.
Oh, fear for your one tick, sir.
Please go on with everything.
Come on, we'll continue watching the movie.
Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Come on!
Alright.
Can't understand all of this. Let's go over my sister, but tell my sister say, the man give me money, me see with woman. Sister, me glad me see you.
How
You
I
remember,
gonna
the
know?
man me tell us to give me the 100 US?
The same man me there cause you tell us to go out to him for money you can send me
Yes,
yard.
him. You know somebody up the road. When me tell us me I come look for you. You don't wait till you come. Yeah. Me the others sit down and me see my pass. Put on tickers and black tickers.
How will you not say?
And me see pop out one new brand iPhone gear. I was like, what is this? Me think me get the man. And now me see with woman.
So what you do when you see her with the woman?
Me don't know me just
But yeah, you got.
what me do do. What me do?
Then you say a pure man.
Think I the my man but right now tell me saying this thing go me tell you enough.
Figure you. You see me they tell us if you let money man alone. Cause money man no want nobody, they only want pass through. But you're wrong, go take up money man. Oh, see me get money, see me get money, yeah. And I love him and me this and me that. You know, reach your good. You should have lick you in your head, make you have depression and every damn thing.
Girl, me never come here for your behave so. Me come here to tell you something.
See, what me I tell you what me.
No, you're not behaving like my
You have
sister
money
right
man
now.
and you till you come on me and yam rice and mackerel. Eh? You have money man and you come and yam rice and mackerel. Every day.
Pay attention, so.
Oh, me see.
Why me come on my sister house going to call it rice and mac? You know wrong with that?
But you have money man, you
Suppose
come
that
me
me
yard.
want. Suppose that me want.
But me can't afford for you feed it all, cause me nah no. My man gone for 2 weeks him say go work some money to come back. Me nah have no money now, so me have
So you
to
know, send the
serve
money
till he
come give.
come.
You know, send the money come give you by it from the time you over there.
So if he send money, you feel like some other fella?
You know. You know you could witch. Me know.
You don't know how witch. The man where you take up where you give your bun na you like while a witch.
Me not gonna argue there now. You know why I'm not gonna argue there? Because I never come here for that. Me I gonna kindly march back out of your yard.
And cause you dear me, I go look something for name with the money where your man give you the last time.
That done long time, baby. You know say. I have some sugar me come make you do.
Yeah, what? You know, I take up my sugar again. You buy sugar with this. And now you buy nothing for smoke with it. Every time man give you money, you go take it buy rum and
Tell me,
smoke.
if me stress out. And I
When you
smoke
have
alone can't
food,
do it. What?
food you fi yam.
Food can really. Food can release my stress.
I know
I
that.
don't have a man
Make
to
when me
release
come
my
around your
stress. I have
yard,
to
me not see the
smoke.
sugar where you buy smoke and say me take a pot and lick in your
Don't buy
yard.
business. I want to figure out me want to say me come here yeah, later.
Give me my money.
Me gone.
Don't worry yourself, girl. I will catch you. I will catch you. Boy, oh boy. You're 2 weeks long though, man.
No, I tell you 2 days, not 2 days. Don't do that, man.
But a 2 day, a 2 week, man. How you not even call me?
No service.
So you never have credit on the phone?
No.
So you never see me or call your phone?
No service in the bush, in the hill. Nothing
No,
like
in bush
that.
fire go work in a bush. Would they carry upon big work and put you in a bush to work?
Oh,
No.
I'm going to contact me get man, I'm dealing with, you know?
Oh, so you deal with it, so the little food we left now, to me tell you, so me don't want no money. You just a come back for 2 weeks, so me should have dead for hungry.
I just 2 simple, 2 nights to live.
2 nights, at 2 weeks, me say. Cause I can't 2 days that, how long you left? Eh?
You know, they have as much food as I feel. We ask you, go make way.
But you said 2 days, what are 2 weeks, so if food done,
I don't like 7.5.
you do overtime.
But still have to come back and come clean up the place.
You know where you supposed to clean it. After you have your dog, they mash down your garbage
No,
from them.
don't say that. Don't you dare say that. Oh, whoa.
Oh, you come back with some more soup. Where did you get me for you go? I just come back for come cook some more. You want some more? No, me can't go shave now. I can't come. You know what I'm saying?
I wouldn't want to come in the yard.
Oh.
Yeah, I wonder who that girl.
How you to run can you there in your head?
See, like one girl come in the yard. You have a woman that come here?
Me have woman that come on. You ever see nobody come on me and more than my sister?
Your sister?
You ask me my sister. So you never know me a sister?
No.
No? Well, yes, me have a sister. And she soon come. She goodly soon come here now. Watch ya, my sister.
You
Well
know, say,
gone.
you know, say me do it, no bag.
You come back.
Yeah,
A bag you
bag
come
me
back
want.
for? No say nothing left me on a bag.
Who that?
I'm a man me I tell about saying gone
Hey,
for two
your man,
weeks.
oh.
Yes, now that's my man. What is wrong now? What is happening here?
Huh?
What is happening here?
Hello. Come.
This is my man. You're telling me to shut up, and it's my man. Eh? After what is going on behind me here now?
No.
Hello, hello.
You don't understand
Calm down.
what is going on here. I said this is my sister and this is my boyfriend. You are acting like you are
Hello,
strange.
brother-in-law. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You
Good.
know, just him.
Yes,
He's honest.
very
I'm
much
very
honest.
Congrats.
Him say him gone go work and him work and come back.
Okay, this is my work.
Him say him gone work. Me don't need to see
Oh,
him.
you never see. Oh, so you trust him.
Yes.
Okay.
Awa. Where Anna move so me not understand.
Miss, calm down. Go for the bag inside and give
Me
me.
say me not have no bag.
So me go put it something.
Go
Me
get
not
her,
go shop without a
get
bag.
her back, baby, get her back.
So you must.
Stretch out the blouse and tuck in night and walk
Me no
with it. 'Cause
country
me
girl.
not have no
Go for the
bag.
bag. Here, come give me.
Me not have no bag, you know. But me dey go check if me find no bag in there.
You're a
All
nice
right,
sister.
sister.
Yes.
You're a nice sister.
Where can come with the bag?
Yes, man.
You.
Huh?
Me know some little sister that.
Oh, the hell me go no say sister. Just keep it there,
Me
more.
nah shut up until they give me money. When they give me money, me shut up.
Just shut up. I'll give you money, I'll patronize you.
All right, make sure you know.
Can't believe it.
Me a little sister, man. Me be tap it. It's tap it.
But shit.
My sister a good woman and you know no man if he tap it. I mean, I will tell her if you don't give me money today.
Shit him out. All the hell they go no say sister.
We don't know now if he tap it. Because me and you did that talk down and them say, oh, don't allow woman if he tap it. Like I cheat. Like I have more and more if he tap it.
Me I go talk and take care of you and I'll buy your phone. But nothing to your sister. Your sister a mad woman. She, you know, me can't even tell you about her right now.
So my sister do?
As much as you see look and calm,
Yeah.
she mad.
No, my sister no mad. My sister a good girl. I say if you tap cheat with my sister, if you don't give me money today, I will tell my sister me see. I tell my sister, you me see out of the road with the girl, the thick girl, the girl iPhone.
So who tell you say she not cheat for me?
She not cheating on you. Me and my sister there, so every day when you tell her say you gone, she must say 2 days.
Alright, what do you?
You make sure. Cause I want the money.
No, what do you?
Sister, you not find the bag.
No, me not find no bag.
So we in the house of so long. I'm there with upon you.
Me say me not no bag. And you still rush me to go look for bag. Me not have no bag.
You
Okay,
have,
house if not no bag.
you have a good sister. You have a good sister-in-law.
Look at me the bag collection.
Jesus Christ.
No, hey, see your bag here.
So shared with the big garbage bag there now.
Well, me will take you. Me have a lot of things that me want to put in night right now.
Anything where my bag can put in there.
Come
Thanks.
on, go on here.
All right,
Go on,
sister.
no cup.
Too sorry, Ronya. Me not too want to run.
Only thing me can tell you say,
What?
don't trust him. Me gone.
Go on here, yeah. Me not make him mess up my relationship. Go on.
Right.
No,
They don't
no,
want.
no,
They don't want.
bad
Nobody
mind.
don't want to see us together. No, watch that.
Yes, no one to her, no share with jealousy now.
Me tell you something loyal with the T. Loyalty.
Yes, with all capital letters.
Right.
Yeah, that is that. You know what I'm saying?
Me go on the back. You did cook?
Me say some cook some more soup for you now here.
No, me no feel for no soup.
We
None
go
tall.
okay.
None whatsoever. None
The same
so
way
whatsoever.
you drink when you look like
So hot to see, man. Oh, go past the see what going on the road. So hot, man.
Girl, you know let me there with upon you?
How happened?
From your pass, going to the man me there so we upon you. You did no, from your pass with the man, I'm going to go to my sister, I'm come out of you. There we upon you.
How you
No longer?
digmatized?
No, mama.
So
Me there
what?
just away upon you because I want the iPhone there.
I know that girl can take it. Can take it. Because bright after me walk my body for my phone, you want to take it? Or what?
No, listen to me.
You
Listen to
come.
me. The man and my brother-in-law.
That nothing to do with me, girl.
And he's not just my brother-in-law,
Yeah.
but he will be my man. Hello, what me get you?
Wait, baby, let me drop. Wait, say to me. So you tell me, say, your sister, Miss Goody to she, me I take Goody to she man, and you want to take over what the man?
No,
You're not making any sense. You're very nasty.
Me a business what you want to say.
You're
me I
very
want
nasty.
that iPhone.
Another take
and
it.
that me say.
Alright, big bad and bold, take it.
Because you're going like say, find what them find out here, you know. Me I come from far. Me find out you from what they say. You are going like say.
Yeah.
Me if afraid of you, but me not afraid of you. But want that phone and I say
But
and
yeah,
I
me have no another come take it.
What the phone?
I bet you flip, but you and your sister, but.
Oh, okay, we'll see that, baby.
Alright. You don't talk?
I don't talk. I want the phone. Give me the
You
phone.
don't talk?
Give me the phone.
You don't
Give me the
talk?
phone.
You don't talk?
Give me the phone.
You don't talk?
What little girl, man? Yo! No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. Me and my sister come for you.
Anytime you're ready, girl.
Anything you want, say.
Anytime you're ready.
This is where I go, you know.
Go down to the road.
We walk go down for every day. They walk out.
The place boring. I want to work. I want and can't get none.
You soon get to work, man. You send out too much application already.
Mm-hmm. Sister.
Oh,
Like really?
I want to.
But the iPhone, me tell you say, one man buy.
Mm-hmm.
She, me see with the iPhone. She
So,
is.
the
See
black
phone
girl
in her hand?
where you tell me say, your man buy phone. I see that.
Yes, a she. That's a she take your man.
What?
Oh, that girl, no.
Hey, mama. Mama, stop that now. Yes, take me back, go that go. Turn up your son and talk to me, you tell me how that go.
Oh, that go. Talk to me now. Me never
Son of bird, me, son of bird.
enough to touch the property for me, enough to bounce me. And you take my man now, so I want him.
Me didn't name about yeah, me take your man for true, I want him.
You take my man for true.
Yeah, no, you the long man of your man when him comes tell us him go to your man, yard him there.
Mama, you tell her this. Me want you
Come.
leave a man. I mean, I
Hello, man, don't step on me.
Yeah, me I tell her. Me don't want you to
Chill off, so.
my man, yeah? I used to give me the phone here too. About my man, I come buy a phone.
I like
Pass
you
me
want
phone.
it.
Come pass.
Hello.
Oh, what you do? What you do? Go sit down. Pass me phone. Go sit down. You don't know for me.
Beat her, sister. Beat her. Beat her. What are you going to beat her?
Hey, girl, I will bust you and I'm trying to touch you. Go on, where you go? Go on, where you go? Never know me that buck you. No touch nothing to me, and that me say. I want to you.
This is a bad girl. What tell her?
Ease yourself, yeah? And remember this not done yet. Round two are come, yeah?
Hey, make it the iPhone.
Come. Don't worry yourself.
Get the iPhone.
Come.
Sister, I'm going to pull it.
Yes. If you go and she go bride. Nice. Yeah, take my man. You crazy?
Thank you, sister.
Yes, man. Yeah, I'm tired of this man. So
know,
then I want to the
love
girl.
this phone, yeah.
Go on, me go drink some water and come here, man. Yeah.
Hurry up, man.
Alright, yeah. Come. May I buy juice? Come in and get no water in our house.
Alright, come.
Yeah.
Tired of you, man. Look how long
Where
me have
pa
been
me?
for you. Where's your up now? Cause boy, I don't really understand what going on.
You said this morning, when me I come down on the road, I'm lean up because my foot hurt me. I don't know if you're woman, but you say she your woman, you know. So your woman and her little dirty sister, dirty long-head sister, gang me and give me one piece of beat, no. All my foot spray and my ankle swell up and you have to go do something about that because me not unite with you. This is so embarrassing. Oh,
I'm beat you.
girl come to me woman to woman, but man, I don't know about.
Seriously?
Yes. So when I can't eat that, my ankle hurt me. And my ankle
So
swell.
why your face? Why you never run?
Run from which girl? She for glad me never have my tutu or that. She for glad say, oh, come in fear no girl.
So why you didn't call me?
My phone the girl take away buy for me now.
How
I
much
think I
joke you have?
you see my have it? You need to control it. You need to control the dog of your yard. You need to control the dog of your yard.
iPhone 14, that's it, mama. I know 10 or XR, you know.
I'm say you need to control it something where you have in your yard.
No, yo, me will talk to her right now, but me don't need to talk to her about that. Me have to tell her because she's a mad woman. But yeah, continue right after till me come back. Cause it's when me I go right now, me can't carry go there. Don't worry about
You
that.
better hurry up and come
Me
back.
buy you another phone. Just wait for me right after.
Alright.
Don't move cause you don't have no phone.
Stop say that. Go on.
Alright.
Right. Over there, so. Oi, mama. Oi. Are you me attack?
Go on from my son, a girl.
Come here, call girl.
The butterfoot girl. Go on, a girl.
Girl. You never know about a foot girl man here attack where your head no good.
Yeah, I'm in a business with you. Me not talk to you, because you too enough. Me not talk to
Me and you
you.
are friends, but
Skitchy
this
for
is my
myself.
sister. And you want beat me. You want fight me and cuss me over my sister.
You
man.
want to fight over people, man, we are not yearn.
Don't worry yourself about that, baby. Don't worry yourself about that.
Hey, girl.
What you just do, girl?
Sister, where you get that
Hey,
from?
girl, take this.
Why am I tired of freaking? What's that?
Boy. What can I add that up along the side? They have gone.
What you think to me some funky girl? You think me an idiot? You think me a fool? But if me have gone, you can't see girl take my any girl take my man get it. You never know.
Any
As them
girl?
take it then get it, mama. You never know.
Why am I tired? What else?
Let me
No,
just
sir.
no, me nah know what I'm tired, man. The girl too hot hard, I know.
When they have to
See the
do
girl
that,
now?
she just one every day.
Yeah, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say now. And me and you go, and me and you did it.
Oh,
Me and you a go.
me never did it. Nothing there no way.
Me a tell the police
No.
and me and you. Me see the girl already, me want the girl say, no property for me no. Me want the girl sit for them. Me want her no. I say, oh, for go on and me this and me that.
Jody, I
Don't
am
call
not
me
coming
name.
to any lack
You are
of
coming with me because you show me her and tell me say she a take my
I
man.
did show you because you're my sister, so I put up on your
Well, me and you go down
Me
there
never
now.
tell you, Sophie, what kill the girl. Me never tell you that.
So, well,
You
Anna,
go come out of that now. You're a prisoner.
what got prison?
Yeah,
And me and you go.
me-
And if your opinion about me, I got prison. If your opinion about me, I get in your mouth. You chat too much. Nobody never did it. You chat too much.
Miss, I pack up my yard, pack up my stuff,
Me a
and
come.
me I run where?
Me a come with you.
Oh,
Anyway, you go, me a come.
come go my yard, cause
As you move, me a move with you
come
too.
go my yard, cause me and you not get no lock up.
Are you sure
no
me
want
are?
my file to go down. I'm going about my business now.
Anyway, you go,
I'm
me
about
a
my
go with you.
business.
Come.
I want to get a man. Cause you're enough in the That's what you say. Yes, it's that.
What ya? Who ya? Rotted.
No, guide me, guide
No, no, I don't understand your language today now. Hey,
that.
so, the day when you come back for the bag and you saw him, you were dating him.
No.
And you tell me that it was your friend that was dating him and not you. And I tell you, if I catch a next man with my property, I will kill it. And you know you're there with my man.
Girl. The girl
What am I seeing now? No,
No, guide me, guide that, and I talk to her because
I don't want to hear nothing from you now. You shut your mouth. Huh? You there take my man. You there, so it's my man that give you the money.
Yeah, my sister.
And you
I'm a
tell me
sister,
that you
man.
were going for 2 days. That's what you tell me now.
But when we never have for 2 days, we never have for 2 days.
Hold on there. Rotted. Hey girl, you're lucky, you know. You're lucky, say my phone me take up and I gun in a girl. Hey girl, you're lucky as a sister and I come with a murder you to and kill all him too, you know.
What should I do good?
Hi, me a bad girl, you never know, say I want mad girl I take up, or if you come there with my sister too. Eh?
I'm not there with your sister there with me.
No.
Eh? So why you take your money from him?
I take money from him because...
Oh, so that's why you tell me say that go for 2 days. And that's why you tell me say that go
No,
for...
be honest with you. Never run see me go for 2 days. I did run my cousin them. But
But what? Where the back your crab? All of a sudden you back your crab?
tell her the truth now.
Me tell you what she nice to me.
Tell her say
You
you
look like
hold
me
me down.
idiot.
Eh?
So, you give she money that you never give me in my entire life before.
But I always ask if you want food stuff and you always have food stuff.
I said money, I didn't say food stuff. Oh, you're the sick now. You're the mad.
Me
But
not hearing properly.
you have to understand this.
Me not understand, overstand, nigga stand inner, stand outer, stand nothing right now. You don't get caught. Oh, you never know somebody come out of the yard.
So
You
we,
never know somebody come out of
so
the
we
yard
are
come
doing
catch
that
you.
so.
What me a do for so? Are you me a look for come on or you come out of the bed so early and you gone? You not even wash your face for a morning.
I see call me about emergency.
Oh. So my man from a your yard. Oh.
Girl, me never tell you say your man for my yard, no.
No. Am I stupid? You work for 2 days, you come back without money now. And my sister live in bush and you say you go to the bush now. So it's my sister, you go for the 2 days and come back. It's not work. I will box you now. I say I will slap you.
Is your life funny?
Hey, go back to your yard, you know. Cause I don't want to catch you back. Hey, make sure, hey, as a matter of fact, me I go down now. I'll pack your things up. If you're not come for them in 2 seconds, I they light them up. Aya, that me I tell you right now.
Who you talk to? For my yard. Not if you know.
We done it. We're not there.
Don't be true, if my sister getting in around me gone.
Oh, come here. You come hello, Renee. Who you?
Renee Crane.
So when you come out of the yard, pa?
The owner can come out.
So to me, look for me good. You see how me look like me brought up, well trained properly, well respectfully. You see you know. You see me look for you. You look like you have picked me already. You look old, like you breed and have all five
No,
pick me
yes,
already.
boy.
You can carry yourself, so. Yeah, how much?
Well, no.
Let's talk to you how much. You look like you're around 15. And look how you look for your 15-year-old. Like what comes sister, listen to me. Me know you call her out of the yard. Cause someone will pick me on a bad company. Don't call my sister out of the yard.
Good company.
I think all of them say, when them a bad company, them a good company, them a bad company. You don't know you have to do. You don't play to every wash. No chim if you take out. Nothing at all up there, you have to do.
House clean.
The house clean. What are we going to go in your yard?
Oh, banga.
Yeah, but go on, girl, come here. You come over here, so. Come up here, so. You move far, let them go thump in here, yeah. Come up here, so. How do you think you go? No. You see, mommy and daddy so gonna foreign and me go in charge. So anything I say, go. Then I'm gonna road with she. I mean, I want to see her par with she, cause she look big.
JAMAICAN.
Very big. She look old. She how much? How much? Yeah, you think? You want me to come Mr. Bazaar step in your field?
No.
Yeah, how much?
18.
What are you 18? You don't know number. You don't know number. You don't know say you're 15. You don't know say you're 15. You don't know say you're 15. Come back to.
This is like a funny came back.
I see you gotta run and tell people say you're 18. You see you go on run a lie. You see the next time. Me hear you tell by say you're 18, you're not 18. Me go juke in your eye. Go on. Go on. Me say go on for me kick you down. You find your yard. Find your yard, but she are 18. She like she are 18. I'll share next one. Look at around there.
Yo, come on. Renee! You see, my sister? No, come. This is frustrating from me. Calm myself, man. I can't tell what the prayers. But I thought you had asked. No, bro, look alright. Don't do that. Hi, girl. God. You know, say girl, I take man. Girl. So that dusty girl. Girl. Baby girl. Girl. You must say no. Beat up to come out, you can take taxi already. Yeah.
Girl, me see a pan for me. A pan for me for.
Yeah, cause I take my man.
Which man?
My man, girl. My man, I take. Girl, I'm afraid girl beat me, you know. I'm afraid. Yeah, idiot. Beat her for me, no? Me?
All of that. If you feel like say me take a man, come beat me. Come.
Which girl can chat to me so, yeah, idiot.
So why you not come beat her?
I hear me, man.
All of that. Why make you tell her not come beat me?
Me? Hello. She talk about man. And this one that is come show me. So me I say, to come beat you.
I want to go on
She have me up over man. Huh? Over man she have me up for.
I will be a gas. Come up here, come up here. Them never walk too fast, yo. I say come up here, so. You come out the yard for?
She come out there. Me? She come out there.
And you come on the road and argue over man. And when me a gas school, me never have money. Come on the road and argue over man. Hello, you know, you look like you're two-faced. Take a look at your man walk and come and tap in your face.
I'm a business in the middle of she stop me. Your sister stop me over man.
That's what I understand.
What me now? No.
One bad girl, how they gone? Is it correct, king girl? Stop come on me yard. Cause you don't broke up my sister probably would argue over man. You look a maga girl. And you, when me come down, but you probably would argue over man. You don't know who tell us you. Renee, girl, come here. Come here. It's an embarrassment. Come here, so. Who you put up on the road and argue over man? And I talk about, wait till the next time, me wonder, where you do argue over man? Come here, so. Where do argue over man? Anybody I want, nobody I meet. I mean, I want people, you have to come up here, so. You have to find like a red king girl. On the road, and I go fight over man. Man, you go fight over. If you take up a book, and when you go school, you know about man, you know. I never know about man. What even about my school work, and you got to come argue over man, you want. I know me big. Me may have a man, but me still afraid of man. Eh? You come argue over man? You feel like you're supposed to have a man? Yeah. Come up here, son. Come up here, son. Me not like come up here, me talk to you. Me need to talk to you. You see, in my hard time, yeah. Look at my mommy and dad living there. This wood house, a pit pile there on the back. You need to pull up your head high and go to school, go learn. When you go to school, I go for education. So you get the education. So you don't come out, no man at all can use. When you have no education, man go and use and abuse. Okay, you don't got no sense. You don't got no if you put yourself. You understand? I say your brown friend. Tell us something I want about me. Because any day I watch me a bust for your mouth. And lick off all her braces off her teeth. Because I don't know why she glue up her teeth. Why you glue up your teeth too? I don't know glue up on the teeth.
But I'm my money for your feet.
You what?
My money for your feet.
You what?
My money for your feet.
What are the yard, girl? What about push man? Push man? Which man? Which man? Go around for me box in your face. Go around. One man. One man pray for braces.
Kayla.
Hi. What going now?
Mama, you know some money me come for. No look, so. Come in here, look sad on me already now.
Me not look sad, me just stressed out. I can't understand me I go through right now.
Me not understand you too. Me don't want to understand. You know how the money can give me.
No, me know some boy money for me tell a weekend and then end up after 1 month now, but me I beg you please. Give me until next weekend.
Next weekend I got to next month again.
No, you not turn the next month. Me tell you. I try my sister and one because me just frustrate them. I say, and mommy, you know, mommy if you send me some money. No, you just.
Yeah.
Mommy if you send me some money, you know, say mommy if you send me some money and then you send me money, me get up, me get tired. Me get like 20,000.
No say look 20,000. Cause you look at my money. If you did look, you could have given me a long time. Listen, next week, nah, don't know next month.
No, I'm a top. I try to make a 10 grand.
10?
Please.
10?
Yeah. Me really need it. I didn't understand me I go through. My sister forgot to school and me just so stressed out. I put too much headache
How
here.
about tell me?
You know, if you understand, sometimes don't have food to put on my table.
Man, don't tell me I'm sad, so. Cause I want to feel sorry. I'm not
No,
gonna feel
me
sorry.
know why you're sorry for me.
No, tell me no more. Cause I done sorry for myself already.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Me not send it to your account.
No, I'm not sending to my account. Give me cash.
Me not no cash. Me not send it to your account, so there's proof this time. So by...
I'm not sending to the account. I'm going to go have taxi fare for good downtown and one bag or something. I mean, I have all of that. Me tell you, say, right now, I'm not eat from last night. Me and my sister don't eat from
Me not
last
have no
night.
cash. You want it in your account or you don't want it?
Alright, put it in my account.
Alright, you'll get in the next 5 minutes. 10,000?
Yes, if I don't, you can put something on it for me. I'm not
Take off 1,000?
No, put something on it.
Take off something?
No, put on something.
Take off something?
Alright, let's see 10,000.
10,000. I have to come call again.
Then I have to come call me. So what, you alright, differently?
You don't want to talk about that?
That's the money you come for?
Yes. Although we are friends still, no, but you don't want to talk about that, no.
I just saying if you borrow from a friend, because I don't think come here to that beg me to make a 20,000. How are you? How are you? Go to No, me not come to Me? How you know some of the rest of you contact to me to say me I got road? You think me an idiot? You think? And the other day, I realize I get very feisty. I don't know what going in your head, but it come like something flying in your brain, and if you unfly it out, can feel like something wrong with you. Friday, you don't have no manners. Where they go? Yeah. Go talk to me about what? Something. Oh, talk about it. Tell me about it. Me waiting on you. Take it. Tell me. Tell me, sir. You see, I'm girl, you going to check yourself fast. So, woman, I shouldn't have it, man. Because me just started, man. Someone know what's going on. Me I talk to somebody else that is phone when me can't see. My big sister me I talk to. No man, somebody else there in the yard. Me not see sister. Who you talk to girl? Somebody. Oh you look for? Are you gonna talk to Kayla? You. Me? Yeah. We be just a while ago. Then I look for the girl and take my man. No, is that what you say now? Clicking on my brain, girl. Let me tell you again. Sister, you look for the girl and take my man. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, fool. Yeah, man. Okay. Where think you go? Me to the arena. So to me, the picnic. Whereas from mommy and daddy gonna foreign, you have big attitude. You begin to go on back round. If you think you're better than me today, you step through yourself. Step past yourself if you fit to say you're better than me. If you fit to say you're the bigger one, I'm me the little one. If you fit to say you're 18, I'm me 15. Step through there. Go around this for me big. Go around this so. I used to come to me. I go on the road and come back. And any of me ever they come and see up on the road, me go broke your tooth for them, you know. Oh, so better turn in the yard. Where you go? Take out your sister. It's so wrong. Spoke up so. When I put in my car, I catch my gun. Boom! Turn around and go on up there. So where you go? Where do you go up there? Here? You have compass battery. One. It's a what? No. Little girl. Go be road. You feel like me I left you on that phone. Where the road, man? Road. You see you? You look at me for man.
Your sister run. Eh? Yeah.
Say you coming.
Come, could come to call you. Your sister run me.
That's serious again. Could you stone her?
Yeah, man, your sister beat me. You can't stone her. You expect me to go stone her? You could stay from far and stone her. Me, what you go with me and beat me?
Girl, my tell you to stop come to me about your man, you know.
Cut the girl back. You like girl?
So after me run up yo, you really take her out of the yard?
Me? I guess him right there, sir.
I want whole a brown king girl in a man. Go on in the yard. Go on in the yard. Put on in the yard.
No, we have to meet her first.
Put on in the yard. Try next one. Every time I see you, look at your face of a man.
Hello, one your sister. Your sister come to me about a man. Not me.
Who you talking?
You.
I talk me to say, Lord, more, they know who me?
Yeah, yeah, sister.
Stop talking to me, so.
Like sister, you're my ear.
I see next day, see my sister on the road. Me know you go up in her face. I'm going like you want to chuck her and nothing like that.
I'm a business, me I go. And your sister,
Which business?
Your sister and her friend approach me about man. I'm a business, me I go.
Yeah, how much?
You don't need to know that.
You like you want a little picnic, a little and your ring. And me I tell you point blank. Any day name there, my sister tell me, say you put her hand on her, me I bust her face. Me I lick you in the face. Cause I'm afraid of you, you know.
Then keep your sister in a cage where she belong.
And you think if you go in that cage, you.
I mean, man, you need to follow that cuss over here.
Focus on the man.
You.
Focus on the man.
You can't cuss little bit over man.
And she and my sister cuss over money, so she run go on the road. You know, pass her a fly go on the road. After what I want to cook a brown girl.
Oh, chuck.
What black are that?
I'm bad, I'm rude. If I your sister company, then you
Yes, and my sister come be straight up her with an argue about a man.
She and them quarrel over man.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, you see if you don't put your sister in a one room and sit down and talking.
Amen.
You see that same brown girl, go and send him go to prison.
And why you want to person for? Tell me my sister got prison.
Hey, the two of them teeth me underpants, you know. Yes! I go down here, yeah, and I'm not saying down there.
Oh, thief. When my sister time for my teeth, underpants on my left hand, yeah. She don't time for your teeth, no underpants.
I tell you, know, when we talk to you, know, listen. See, you come catch him a cuss over man. At 15, a cuss over man. Imagine if he's 16 or 17. You might cuss over a whole lot of man.
Know yourself, me will control. No matter how much mommy under the gun overseas, me will control her. Me the big one, me will control
You know,
her.
that's what you want to
Control her.
Me use and dust out your face in a girl. Me tell you shit up, you know.
A lie.
Are the truth?
Me lick you in your
truth
face.
hurt.
The truth hurt what? Me tell you go on, me lick her in her face and me fight to run like a pin.
I don't feel me pick me.
Next
I
time
love
tell your
you.
sister when she see me, she not approach me, okay?
Can't move.
Alright. Tell her.
I
Me
don't
she
hear
talk
this.
to.
I don't hear this.
She still over talk to me, so she doesn't me chuck her and she drop her ground.
I told you hungry. Me feel like you're hungry. You know. Cause first time you used to check off a girl face.
No, me get bigger now, me have to be a mother. Me have to act responsibility.
Don't bother with that.
Mm.
If you're trying to be a mother for your sister, come out and go fight girl over man. You're no mother.
Me did tell you, come on, go fight over man. Me go up the road, and remember, say, no, say, me hold the boy. That be money. I need to come in my yard. Night, I need to come in my yard for money.
Move this.
Go on.
Go on, talk to you
Go on,
about
go
something.
on, go on, go on. Walk up.
Like sister,
Yeah.
like sister.
You have kiss your teeth like you brush your teeth from man. And if you get
No,
so
no,
tired,
no,
water.
Anyway, I mean, look, dividend for your own, me come fast, you know.
Father God, up above, maybe you help me, God. Help me.
Yeah.
Me not have no money at the moment now. Check me back next week. Me not have money now. Check back next week for the money.
You know, I say every time I check you, it's a next week. Next week can't come on now. 10 weeks and next week can't come on now.
Mama, if you send some money come, so we get then the time there. And mama send the money come.
Me hear that already. Mummy, if you send some money, come.
But that mommy now send the money come for the girl and the girl stress me out.
And-
Me so tired, me not no time to go work.
And that with a young girl, you know. You see, when you borrow people money, you can them out next week. next week, that's how I miss you upon news, so I miss you. Me no business.
Me not can you out. Get me one when I have no work. I don't have a work. A matter of fact, me can't even go work. If me go work, but that time I gotta work, me sister left out of the yard. Man! And then first me come see by the road, I give a man, you know. And when me I guys come to know what is man.
How much time you talk to her about man?
What about time?
Leave her then. You see, if you talk to her about man and you talk to her about the right thing and she not learn, leave her alone.
But me want to say a little red king girl papa or his mama.
Oh, she?
Yes.
Your mama and papa is the same thing. Let her go all over
But
the
if you
place.
talk to them because me no want she broke up my sister. I mean I have no money, me sorry, me I come with them, me no money.
Me, if me not get my money next week.
You can give me 2,000.
Me not have that.
Where for that?
Until you pay me my money.
Me no money for pay, me there want money. Marisa. Listen to me. Doesn't mean like a dirty style when I have. Go from when me and hide from papa. If I never tap on the road, if I never left out of the yard and come when I tap on the road and face out people over man. Ain't will catch me.
That's if we stop and walk and borrow people money, bro.
You know what can break people money, how you eat. Tell me how you eat. Mommy nah send when me when if I run, mommy and daddy run off and nah send no money. Because if they can't send no money, listen to me. Let me tell you this. Go back. Me your sister. And I mean you one in this and if you listen when I talk to you. You see, go on the road and fight over man, it's not right. And 1 million man in the world. When you fight over the man, no, I do the girl, not over the man, and you go more your business. You know, somebody have the man there. You don't know what the man I do right now. You see, what's not yours will never be yours. If the man ever meant for you, you're not gonna have the man forever. You can't get it for the want to fight over man. Me, I say, you can't fight over man. You embarrass me.
Boy, you sure say, boy, you sure? What that?
If the boy did want you, you wouldn't go look at that girl for the fight over him. Top fight over man, you're a young girl. Alright, some man out there, no? I see tomorrow morning. No left out of the yard. The hero, me say. Because tomorrow, me not beat up my chest. Me think I'm tired enough for you to walk home parade and walk down with switch. 24/7 I feel walk down with switch. Hover. Me I walk down with switch.
Hello.
Hello.
How is everything?
Fine. What? You call you?
You look nice, man.
Yeah.
Long time I don't see you. Long time. Oh, boy, you know the money can't give me. Mama want me gone, you know.
Me no have the money. As a papa, I tell people that ask me for money. One answer, I have money. Me broke. Give me until next weekend.
Mama, you said that 5 weekends ago. I'm ready for my money now. Me and my business to deal with. You see this, I shut you. I take you to the store. I just because I have good credit. When I tell the man say I go give him the money X time, me give him X time. You tell me say I go give me money from when I know me can't get it. Me can't do like this.
Me not have no money. Me not have the money and me one. My mother and my father now stay in contact.
No, tell me no
I
sad
am
story.
so
Me no want
sad.
no
Me
sad
not have no
story.
money.
So how you have to borrow money? What you do with the money when me give you?
Let me take and send my sister to school and take care of her.
Your sister don't have to go to school.
Why?
You don't have to go.
I have to go to school.
If you don't have no money, how you move go?
Me have.
So how you plan to pay me back?
Me don't know how me pay back. It's
So how
just.
you know if you borrow my money, but you don't know how to pay me back? Me
But me and you a good friend like that. Look how long me know you from school days and you're rubbing off one like $20,000.
30. Remember the other 10.
Oh. Yeah, me for $30,000.
Yeah, I know. Me and you are good friend. Yes, but you are my money and a friend.
Ah, me tell me
The
what
money don't know you from
me
now.
tell me what to do. Me want to papa one girl. I spit out the money. Cause me not no money.
You are 30 then?
Yeah, more than 30 grand.
What kind of deal?
Like for fine one. Me not have none now.
Yes, me can't bother with this. Because I want my money for the business.
Me not have no money. I will tell you then. You have more money. You full of money like that. So how you get girl then without money?
You don't have no money. Because I lend you my money.
Come tell me that then. Me and you would have to mash up a crime. I give one next 40,000. I'll call it a day.
I don't see me have benefit from that. How me have a benefit from that? What kind of crime you have, macho?
You don't have no woman. No one could comfort.
Well,
Come here, I have money now. Say I want it, come here, have it, so you take it or you leave it, come in, no money.
Me
very broke.
Me a friend.
Mm-hmm.
And from me know you're full of man. So you 30 what I give you.
I return to home with a squid sort, call it 15, and you owe me 15.
Who else will man? Never right for me, I got school and a man. I'm a friend then, that's like come here, you're a friend. Yeah, my man, no.
And look what you offer me now as a friend, so look what you offer them.
No! Me not for them nothing, because they tell them man they here. Me not have no money, so I take it or leave it. Me not have money.
Alright.
So, look how more me link you. Give me one little more me I know for eat. Put something for the
Look
table.
more, you link me. I was squid sort 15. Right? Then 15 out of 30 you owe. Then one next time, you link me. And that the squid sort the next 15. And take this now and buy something for me because you look hungry. Alright? So you answer? Mama, when you borrow money from people, don't tell me this time.
Alright.
I call you one them there, I close them there, and I don't have no money to buy them.
Alright, next month then. Later. Because I know people do it $1,000. $1,000 Jamaican dollars. So, look, we get to go take our book and go to school, you know.
Hello. Glad to see you. By the way, sorry if you cap you don't really know me, but you how much?
16.
Oh no, let's not fight over man.
Who tell you similar part of a man?
You know what Kayla said? Don't look that fight over man, you and his sister.
Kayla need to put her sister in a cage. The two of them need to go in a cage. Fight over which man?
Sorry to call your mama, but to me, you better me call your mama because if you fight over man, you know mama. But anyway, the time when you take up on yourself about to fight over man, you better take up some book and study something and learn to try to be a doctor or a lawyer or a police or a say soldier because you're too short. You can't manage soldier.
I'm to some money, yeah.
How you talk about want to this man? I want to you. Want to you. Who want to the young picnic? Want to no.
Hello, I'm a business minute ago. And the girl stopped me. Okay.
Sometimes you feel like say, then if you carry a counselor in each lane and let the counselor them to walk on and counsel because you see, girl picnic, when you eat too much salt, gone astray.
Me and she used to be friends, you know? Me and she used to be friends.
And over one boy.
Over one boy. I'm not to remember the boy. What to be his name?
Wait, the boy ever go no on 20 grand a week?
Me know about she know, but him give me my money.
What school boy can offer? Things that do not fight over boy at school. And fight over man at school. What then can go on?
He have money.
Then can go on education?
No.
Then,
But about education.
alright, since I have your education, 5 multiplied by 5, take away 5.
Don't know.
Good. So you think
Man. Man is the answer.
Jesus Christ. God. You see, if me ever enter one woman and one girl pick me and come turn it back. Don't give me none. Because before you are the bigger one, I'm a matter of fact. Before you take them and sit down and teach them. And this is the thing one.
I'm the oldest son, I'm the older daughter, sir.
No, me talk about your friend instead. I don't fight over man. I want to teach you one another.
Hello, I talk to her. She don't want hear. Talk to her. Go to her big sister. Our big sister, you need to go to. Don't come to me about she.
Mama.
Yes, because I go about my business and you stop me. You come like the...
Listen, me not take no man phone. No. So don't shout out for me.
Can't take no man from me, sir.
Only young people need to put on in some water with some electric current to shock out the sensor they have. No, because you see nowadays sensor they have are rubbish.
Put yourself in there. What make you stop me?
I'm ready.
I need some money.
I'm find one spoon. The moment me want to find something leak off here. Eh? More don't want to know if your mama and papa. What them I do? I tired to tell you single room people them say, stop have sex in the room with no pick me. Because of that chick them have. Wait till them go to school and don't start. Man, I tell you. Alright.
Renee!
Yes, sis.
Come here. I want to talk to you. We're going to go find the road with Davy and a day. So I'm going for the whole entire day. Come on, squid salt the money when I'm worrying. You understand? So, I'm going to leave out of the yard. Stay in the yard until I come back. Here?
So you mean by
Squid salt? You see, anything having in your brain where you think about that. And me run man. Man not run me. You hear? And me run man head not run for me. You hear me say? So if you stay in the yard, and I come out, and me go let the lady next door to watch you. Me way over here. So if I want nothing, you fry dumpling with bully beef and eat.
So what does you make them do?
I what they in the house. You have to eat and work with that.
Money.
Yeah, money. Go around in the house. Go around the house. You hear me say? Yes.
Ready?
If you're ready. Yes, come on.
Renee! Yes, sir. Yeah, the sister out there, so. Where the man gone? You know? So you want to say prayer now? No, just come over here. I think I'm tired. Come on then, no. What are you doing, actually? No, she beat you. No, girl. She go take my.
Son, how are you?
Not when you're good.
Of course.
Long time I not see you.
Long time I see you. That's so. How school?
School are going good. So,
Studying to a command.
Stressing. So what now?
Yeah, I see me I take a walk out. I'm glad I book up on you still.
Why?
For a long time I not see you, know.
So when I gonna give me something?
What that?
You know what I mean, talk.
You know, easy, you know, I'm not telling say, yo, you just wait 2 more years, son.
Can't wait. It's a long time I wait. Can't wait.
Just wait, man. Be patient. You don't need to rush this.
Alright.
I walk on yourself.
What do you mean by what I'm gonna say?
Girl, and I see a boy in the talk.
Where's same boy? You think me not find out your age? You think you could have tricked me or fooled me? Son, tell me your real age so you're 15, you know.
First, girl.
Yeah.
Take my school man. Look at the man, sir.
Hello. Hello. The people that I share there, if them did want to, them would have come and look at me. I'm Michelle girl.
You're too young too for that.
Right.
Hello. He's an explain. I'm not time for one. Yeah, idiot. Girl, I'm telling you about the engine. I'm not time for beat her. But it's
Go on. Enter my conversation. Go on.
Girl!
Girl, go on.
Come on,
Before your
girl,
sister
we
come
have
up here, so go on.
Mash come treat you, girl. That mash.
She can't do me now. Go
No,
on.
why that girl?
Go on. Yeah, you could pick me.
So, you think say she could have really beat her in front of me?
You must see mad.
I want to throw with gang them. And
What's
beat
that?
them up.
What's that?
Right thing. But man, because she young. Can't take me feed
Come to the my man.
But that, you get 2 more years now.
Yeah, me, I'm going to wait 2 more years.
We can talk and everything,
Yeah.
but that's just one. Give me some time, you know. Because
Aye.
you're 16, you know. So that's just wait. So where I go?
I'm going to go buy something.
I'm following you around.
You can come. I'm company.
Come on.
I mean, I want to go meet the butter girl.
Oh, you even know your sister, okay, sir?
No worry your head. I'll up and say after the cars in do is cause of a man at the time. Walk up, come carry some little girl in a yard, you know. In a yard, little girl. Watch now. Watch this one, yeah. You gonna come here. Cause you love fight over man. You depend on the big man. Ah, you not no shame. Walk up 15 years old, you walk up down
So
forward
you
with.
tell us you're 15.
Because I know her. So
Where
this is
you know her
15.
Hello, me 16.
Yeah, I mean, bright.
Tell us if
My sister not the same. Okay.
It's a true milk for my sister. I not argue about me who you want to ask. Where my sister then? Is it my
Don't
sister?
say with 3 man. You have to keep her in a cage that me tell you. Don't question me man. Come
Right.
on. Right.
Seriously. Go and go look for your sister. Under your age.
Don't bright us, Mr. Davian, don't move. Don't move.
What do you mean don't move?
Tell us that, Mr. Come back.
How long you take?
Long.
Sure, like gonna. People have to use smell good or ask. There you go.
You again?
Mr. Man, yeah.
Oh, you and daddy are walk out. Walk on, daddy. Yeah, that's all about it. I know my daddy, you know. I know my daughter, you know. Do you what? I know my daughter.
Hello, stop questioning me, man.
You what?
My man. M-A-N. Man.
Right. Oh, that's a M-O-N you said. I know M-A-N, mama. Because
You can't see me one day and call to me. I'm walk.
no matter how we talk. No matter how we talk to you.
I'm enough man.
I do my man, I
Up
don't
in the people
know.
business.
Man, is smoke. And just up in a what? Captain America. Eh?
Yes. I like it.
Well, you saw watch me, sir. You like it?
Where you watch my man for?
You think I spice
Where
it?
you watch me man for?
You think I spice this, but you like it? Eh?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah. So don't try that in no body. Don't do that. Don't you dare do that.
Yeah, we're not tired.
Them stand there happy people will have bumpers.
You're going
Don't
to
try
answer,
that.
you know.
We're not
Yeah,
tired.
Listen,
yeah,
big,
me
big
yeah.
man, big man.
Hello.
Big man, you see for the film pitney? You see for the film pitney? Only
Not
God
if I
alone.
feel your pitney because me could never be your pitney.
Sometimes just man talk. Yo, we don't know. That, I told the law idiot in the past. The minute of the will and the power, me just thump off on the head of your sense. You know. Where did this big old grown tough tone man where I smoke?
We want for there with you?
Did I say you should date me? No, I don't date under. And I don't date people like Ono. Because you can't clean on the behind, or you can't bathe yourself properly. For no mother enough to top beard until you're 18. At that time,
Me not have no mother. Not none.
well, no, I'm not going to say the papa, because the papa not for beard. But, anybody want to live with, not to top beard until you're 18. Because you cannot wipe on the behind good. Because see, if you could have the wipe on the behind good, you don't know, so nothing take up big man. Next thing will be a belly.
Hello, leave my man alone and stop. Hello, bye, bye, bye. You're too enough. Come out of my business.
Good girl. Good girl, walk up. Come here. Come here. What the 3 man me say come for? What the 3 man them there? Me need to talk to them.
Which 3 man?
Me up on the road. Me see little thinking face him out girl down there so. I come like toilet pit. And he say you walk up the road with 3 man. So what if I 3 man the way I take? So which part for you take man? And you spot for you take man. Yeah, alright, come on, so that fit them.
Right. What are you?
So una do things with man now. Look at me don't even have 3 man.
No. Me a virgin. She no virgin. Not a man.
If you type of friend where you keep. But don't even know if you lose your virginity and say who tell me the friend me yourself is still far from. See type of friend you keep? And when you lose your virginity today.
No, cannot man no best son. So we can't keep no friend with you now.
Girl, my sister beat me. Come here. I'll talk to you. So see me, I tell you the truth. As a very young and decent girl, I respect your honesty. Come here, son.
How you do?
Huh?
Man not tell me up here.
You know, like me want to hold you. Every time you come down the road, for my sister. Eh? Every time you come down the road, me didn't want to hold something properly for you, no girl. Yeah, next one, go down the yard. Go down the yard, come on, we need to style take man. Go down the yard.
So how is it, man?
You're not supposed to take no man. Me not supposed to have a man argument neither. Go down the yard. Every day you come on the road about man. You don't want like your shit up. I did you fly for the back of your body. How man can find you for there with you? Hey, go on. Go on.
What are you doing?
Why it's like it's like dark up like rain and go fall.
I don't know, I head home or something. Shandy, what is that, Mr.? Where about it?
Say, you was a girl just passed a while ago with the big old man too. Yo, but you don't know what one in the island here, you know?
My brown youth.
Yes!
You know, so I see them plus not too long. Boy, that man, God no, show me no uniform, you know. I was going to call police on him, because that man, can be sick. Sick, man. You can't look on that look up in there.
Boy.
That man different, you know.
So where you go, you know?
No, see, I some of them here wait for, but them might take too long, so I'll give me a good one. Worse is sky all a dark up too.
You know, Ryan, do the right thing, huh? You know, Ryan. Like, one wait for somebody come on me money. Alright. Because them feel like today, bigger than mine.
Me want you. See if you come look for you, make the man gone. I said, come get one go 2 grand and find man, you know, man. You see, next time, me and the next time. You don't ever walk and look at me left in the yard. Me go walk with a 2 foot in my handbag. Watch. Who stop me? Me say to my father, you're too fierce. Me lick you in your fire, you know, girl. You say you done big. Me make you bigger. You don't have no man that nothing about you. Must we go on yam tonight? Go on in the yard. Go in the yard. Free man, I'm gonna get a money a time.
Oi! Run! Yeah, run, boy, when I come down.
You see when I come and ring with you?
How many money me come for? Me go by your yard, you know over there.
But don't have any money.
The year say you go and pan take though.
Who tell you that?
The year say you go and pan take. Me say I get $15,000 wait there.
I'm not getting $15,000. I want me hold that be. I'm telling man if you top up the sound we for me the man gone.
Oh, well, you missed him in that. Oh, the guy, wait, the same man weapon. Are you my weapon?
Yes, I know him.
You miss him by the blink of an eye. He's gone. Anyway, me need money. And you see that girl away at a par with? No, I'm not see a par with him. I see a fight over a girl, that's all.
I see a fight of a man.
Oh, good. We don't stand to them. How much money I think about?
Me not have no money right now, you deaf?
Alright, since I just can't pay me, you're going to rake up my yard at daytime, I will call it a day.
Since me can't pay you. She go and come and rig up a yard at daytime because she not nothing to do more than fight over man.
No. Stop telling her you get money.
No.
Stop telling her. Stop telling her.
And I ask me as if you go and rig up yard, you know. Me telling you, say you are going to rig up the yard there.
Me not do it though, sorry.
In terms my shit,
Anything you want her for you, she go and use it.
You just me handicap.
because the yard one cut.
Yes, so she will come cut here.
So, starting tomorrow, get
What
the machine
time?
and the rake. In the morning.
Okay, never
When I
mind.
come.
When I come.
We're glad to see you still and we start tomorrow.
Me not
remember,
glad
you
me see you. Me not glad me see you talk. I mean, I don't want to go into the yard.
know? Alright.
Renee,
Yes, Kiana.
come here. Me have beg you too. You know, me say yesterday, I say me cut off your foot them and carry on the road. When you get no handbag, as you pick them, you know. So me don't cut them off. They will let them on your body for you. But me I go on the road and come back. And me I beg you too. For the love of God, do not go on the road. No left the yard. Here? And if you don't left the yard, make you back 3 burger. If you don't left the yard, make you back 3 burger.
So I write them nothing for you guys.
Good. That me left for here. Start listening to me now, you hear?
Probably about you.
Still not here? Alright. Go on. So now yeah.
Kayla,
Hi.
We walk go so long with you.
I put it if you walk because me walk out to my sister. You not eat bully beef?
No, me not eat bully beef.
You not eat?
Eat what?
Make it eat food. You don't care nothing for me, I'm hungry.
No, you do.
Yes, I will look about.
We know a business partnership. You tell them about it.
Oh God. You alright?
yeah, man.
Hmm.
Why? You go on good in a school?
Yeah, every day see me ask me about school.
Come on, to make sure say yo, you dey go on good in a car. You don't want to follow company, you know, and not do right in a school, you know, you do right, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But say you're young, you know, you have to come out with the, you have to come out as an education, girl.
Yeah, me not follow bad company.
Get all the subject, man, and something.
Girl,
Oh God.
you know learn.
What no? What?
Let my friend man alone.
Hello? You there, little girl?
Your mother ever say that? If me not there with you, I fear your friend me go there with.
You're bad.
Exactly.
You're bad.
Yeah, my bad.
Alright. Tough and brave.
Yes.
How am I, boss?
No.
One tour.
The world told me to lock up in a cage. Me tell you, see to them, me can't live in a peace.
Probably. She gone to something to come back still, you know, so you have to look out.
Man, that me could do, yes.
Look out for her.
Next.
Run your girl. Yes, girl. Come on. No, girl, I can't let me practice this. Me not if you promise me 3 burger. 3 you don't burger. Girl, me see the girl up so with him man at all. Yes, girl. Come to see girl. Which girl? See him, girl. A lie. No lie. A lie. Hold on.
Anyways, go up here first, you see them so.
See girl. You know, like a man and no one.
You not learn. Girl, you can't leave me alone, girl.
You not learn.
That girl here, every day she see.
The teacher lesson. What is that?
Walk on, girl. You're not coming here.
Me, you come here, yard. Girl, this is not to embarrass me. I come here, yard. Anyways, come to girl.
You know, so I'm not her out though. I have no shit right now, that.
Yeah, me have to go dead.
Knock her out.
Jesus Christ, it's terrible.
After going out at my girl, what is this thing for?
Come on around you. Beat him. Beat half your man. Man to take.
Right.
So, where you go?
It's a walk.
I was far.
Come for you.
Oh. Girl, I'm hungry right now.
Come buy something.
Come on, I'm hungry right now.
Oh, you don't see me? Oh, you don't see me? Ah, I'm too black. I'm too black when you can't see me. Come over here, son. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come up here, come on. Come back, son. What do I want you about the road, say? Look how they knock out girl, what you best knock out the girl and don't even know if the girl dead. Me don't want you about the road.
But I'm not out nobody.
What?
I mean,
Me just say you knock out somebody. You sound guilty or something. Me say they knock out somebody up the road and I don't know if the little girl dead. You want to get knocked out? Me I don't know this today. Come here, son. Come here, son. Hold on here,
can't go down, can't go down.
Hold your hand on your ear. Put up your foot. Hold up your foot. Hold it up. Hold on. You get something extreme. Turn up your son. Turn up your son. Good on like you push up. Good on.
Oh, we can't push up.
Good on. Me never say I can't push up. Good on every time I talk to you. Good on. Hurry up. Move fast. Good on. Good on like you push up. Good on like you push up. Yes. Make you push up.
Girl,
How you do? Go on put your knee. Go back to your knee. Go on put your knee. Me go and show the other push up. Put your name out that so. Stand up. Come. Sit down on him back. Move your hand them like this. Up, down, and see bite you. Push up your hand them. Up, down. Push up your hand them. Me never see your back. Your hand them. Yes, down and up. Down and up. Yes. Down and up. Where you go? Eh? People talk to you now here. I shall want a big piece of chicken you have to lick in your face. Me hear me reach down if you think I get it. Where am I get? I'm sister really come out. I'm sister really wait pan out ya.
I said it live.
Move for me get called pedophile. They will go 15 years. Move for me get pedophile.
How you deal with so?
Now you. Move for me get no man. Move man. And they just spit near there with that damn maga pedophile. Hey. Yeah. Come here. So you're there with them other man there, you're there with now.
oh wait, come on.
The man I'm still with you there with the girl.
Yeah.
The brown man a boy with the little 14-year-old.
What I mean come to?
You just see me come from round the back. Me ask my question, me cousin put it. Why every time I just say I left out of the yard? You always tell me open for it. You don't stay in the yard. Walk up down in the yard. And if you can do, wash out the little blow up jars we have on the back.
After
And
them.
take out the chimney.
But then you know this
No,
morning.
mama. I don't feel me them, go take them out. And you see the plate that we have on the back when you have maggots, I take them. And you eat to them last night. Maggots soon start swimming between your teeth, them and your braces. So go wash up the plate them.
I eat today last night.
Wash me not eat last night. I was on a dinner date, so I don't eat it last night. Wash up the plate them. And you see your head, what John your fries you put up on the pillar. Then if you wash the pillar and wash your head.
So you can wash it.
And you see your panty, your other panty, when me put up at up in the ceiling there so. When me say maggot, you know. Then if I stop now, take your underneath. Go wash it. Go on. Go and wash it something then.
I should tell me
Go and wash it something then.
a fear one.
Go and wash it something. Me not argue with you.
One.
Go and wash it
Fear
something
one.
then. Oh God, what a God. Renee! Come here. Back up, back up. Come on.
Did you get it on the girl?
No, we're not gonna today. Today me and watch it like a hawk. I now move from like gate and I will shall see when you come out. You eat already everything? As I call up to talk yesterday, say me been a try my best with you. Say me need you. Here in the yard. You have to start being yourself. You understand? As a young girl, but you cannot go up and down now at a young age. You don't get bigger underneath to go down. So you stop fighting for man and
Are they getting a cut? Yeah, she.
One.
She got me out.
Give him every lick where lick you. Lick him.
She got me out.
Lick him. What's up? Give me this. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get me. Me now help you. All of my days of warning you never listen.
Yeah. What again, sister?
Come here. Come here, girl. You know no sense. Come here. Beat the girl. Watch out. Beat the girl. Oh, take your fight to me yard. Put your ass up. Put your ass up. Come out of me yard. Watch ya. Watch ya. Jesus. Watch ya. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Right.
Hey, girl. If you ever touch my sister, I'll kill you. Put me yard. I'll fling you. I'll fling me, girl.
Ah, she take for beating now, cause she had too much mouth.
See, I feel like I could have put that down so easy. You're damn an idiot, you.
Yeah, sister.
One a sister, you know. No, me be no one a sister. You shall beat her somewhere. You see next time. You see next time. Me a come for you. Who out now? A long time been a beat her. You can't go.
Amen.
Come on. She said, my sister never bad at that pep in her neck. Cause your sister look bad. Yeah. Me I you know. My turn.
I'm stay on the compound because they can have sex in the bathroom. Some of them hide and have sex in the bathroom. Back in the days when we used to go to school and that happened. You see our teacher, some of the teacher them are mingle on the spitting them too. You see, especially the coach. You see the running team them, the coach them are perfect.
I know lie, I tell her no.
This is totally disrespect. I saw no baby when no neighbor and make them have everything about no sister.
Who?
Why you always beat her? Who never say is a woman beat her?
No, we work hard.
So why you choose to deal with them kind of man here?
One bulla and one bag juice and you eat and drink it yourself. And remember, say me and you live under my roof today.
Go give a piece.
And you me I think about you're ungrateful enough.
Come on, give a piece.
You go give me a piece. Give me. Give me. Nyami. Nyami and full your belly. You're too crave me. Eat it. Chew your mouth. Chew. Chew quick. Quick and fast. Chew it.
Never cook. Never cook.
What you do?
How are you?
What you do yourself?
How are you?
I'm the mother of this killer boy. What do you think you do? Kick her one more time. Kick her one more time. Kick her again now. Kick her. Kick her. Me say kick her.
No, man.
Kick her now. I regular window. I little high. Auntie? What? Auntie, why? Put it on. Me have big news to tell you. Put it on. Remember that good woman already said me no come here time for she. Cause she love beg you. But me I tell you say you won't believe what I work for mommy and. The man I beat him. Me go see the man I give him song. Kick, thump, box everything.
Ask you how much and yeah, how much?
Me are 18 daddy.
So what that means?
But that for me no big.
Yes, you could go look work.
Jeez, am I a man that? Him got money? Yes. And look sir.
So if you have money, you go dress like you have money?
Any man me there and he have money, you have to dress good. Look up in the man and a
I only a haul at just so. You hear me I say?
where me no haul
Then
at? Yeah daddy. Yeah. So we put on decent clothes and stuff on the road.
that's how you fi dress every morning when you're going on the road, whether you go to the beach, whether you go to the shop, you must look elegant. Now you're a lady.
You know that you talk yes so. You talk this so. Talk this now. Thank you, thank you. Benjamin, be too away. Hello.
Taking up him, right?
We can't manage him, so I'm going to take him up.
Tracy in this, right? Bam. When he's done with you, juke out your raft, plumb you, dig you, water you, belly come, pick the band, take the road.
No. He take the road and pick and go against another man.
Okay, no, look out.
We are going to be.
No.
What you do with the man? What you do with my man? What you do with my man? Run. Put it on, I have bad up my man. Put it on.
I love you.
Your man. No, I have up your man. Put it on, I have up your man. No, your man.
Put it up.
Put it on.
We man, why you always the same man? You're part too.
Shut up, woman. Shut up, woman. I like it.
Melody has a look at her.
What with her?
I like the look sorry, she looks scary.
But then y'all to me, I'm kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my company talk to you sometimes to do a year or two.
Girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
I'm gonna get there with my friend, one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me say I want broke man to go on the road go pick up.
No, a contractor. Oh, you have been looking at the money, girl. I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm with the phone, me not here.
How are you, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. We ask me what me
Yeah, in a mess spot, I saw my hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, really
Go
like to
inside.
say you hustle?
Then, you know, so I'm look where you think, say, me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better go look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
What going on in the sky for America? Me the America, me
Just
the
what Elon
Jamaica.
must do.
Me busy what he want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black house. I don't drink more, I don't know what's up with them. I like that more weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not feel worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So you what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh look, man, you see.
Eat yucky and
That
thing.
not up to do with me, this nah shatter, man. The duff cat not the rightest, so.
Take out this pan.
Let people yard your auto that bad.
My horse. If me
Come out.
gonna get
Look, come out.
You must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here because you do too much.
Man, you know, see?
I'm taking your church right now.
And so she a big man, she force wipe, see?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try shut up. Can I know what you say?
What? Your church or
But she bright, are you sure talk to her? What this? But tell her, say, Penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try shut up.
How we are talk?
The devil contest.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man, me. Me can go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that? Shoppy. Yeah, dude. You rough, me boy. Oh, rough. You ever think we go see you early morning go take a shower? You know, so me always think about that still. He shop this stock. No, see, they shop lock up me to that electric look across it, girl.
Bro, I'm just coming back, bro. Didn't you get my message?
Do I have my phone on me?
Man, you keep rolling like some waste, man.
So anyway, cut long story short. You know bring back no money?
No. Don't even go there. That's the...
Daddy, come back, my friend.
Okay.
Come and see what you're
Hey. Stand up there, so. Breathe easy. I say your mother do it. Where you do on road, them at my day?
I never have no smoke. How much money never done?
What? So all of my money they want me to work and send come my yard. Where your mother do with it?
No, you forgot to ask her that.
Me, I forgot to ask her that.
For me.
Don't worry about that. What you do on the road? Watch ya.
What is that?
Wait. I see where you get the dirty water from. I say you live down here.
So how me feel live?
How are them batty peg, batty riders near them here in a...
left much years now. You don't talk much.
You still live like a ghetto girl down here?
You have to. Don't come by me, you know.
So all of my money when me send con give you. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. All of my money when me send con give you. You not do nothing good with it.
And what?
You not teach me that nonsense.
Oh, you so sure?
And watch ya. You put on all tattoo on your bony skin.
So you can't put on one.
Hey, come up and talk to your father. Don't unite with me.
Anyways, you say me can come with half, right? So see half, you know.
What?
What? Do what with it?
What's that? What?
Yes, sir, me can come with half. Me come with half. Why problem?
You might reach half it, Mama.
You never tell me half how much me fi come with.
Mama.
You just say half.
Mama. That can't save nobody.
You never tell me what you charge me.
Come with 1,000 more of that. But you say this, for now, they can buy one juice.
You say you love me.
Love.
You pay for all of them tattoo we are having here.
Rate. No. When you love, what is love?
Love is when you love somebody even if they're
You
broke.
love me?
Yeah.
So give me money.
Somebody have to love you for give money?
Then I must.
I first never hear this in our life. Mama, let me ask you a question.
Brother, don't broke me.
You feel when me dey party at night time, you can't pay me for that?
What that have to do?
You know how much energy me have to pump in you to you feel good? You can't pay me for that?
To teach you everything about life.
Yeah.
Listen, all these dirty behaviors, you gotta change it. Look at me. I'm talking to you, bro. This is not no jokes or no going around bushes business, okay?
Right.
What's wrong? What you doing out here?
Just chilling, you know?
Okay, check it. That's the reason why when I step at the airport, the first thing I buy is a lock. I know your style. Tell me that one more time again. Tell me that one more time again. I can't believe you grow up. You really grow up. Eh? Some left a worm down here and now me look on a big cockroach. Eh? What kind of legs you show? You're a cockroach, you show legs. You want to show legs?
What man come a cockroach?
So the dirty boy them panic on the lane. The corner boy.